Wagwan ENT.
Tonight it's all about New England versus the Bronx, New York. Thing called it 20 Matic Sound Clash. Black Emperor versus Tribe Star. And we're going to sort this out nice. Big up the whole Teen Torment family once again. Shawn, big up yourself, Venom Y2K. Big up yourself, sounding good as always. Don't know. People, you can draw in here. Make sure you rock to the bar and get something to drink. You know the thing go. All right, so time. The rules is very simple. Let me read it out proper. There's 4 rounds. Each round is 15 minutes each. Tune for tuning will be the best of 11. The best of 11, yeah? Sound effects ready.
They tried to bribe war, but it's Tribe Star, motherfucking.
All right. All ready for war? Say war. All right. We're ready for it. So, here we go. 15 minutes on the shot clock. Make it count. When your time starts when your tune play here. Respect.
Yeah, man. Blessed man in Brooklyn. First things first, we want to say greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie Jah Rastafari. I say big up everybody in our place, big up all sound man, big up all promoter ladies, but cloth and look nice night, big up on yourself. You know me I say. Big up all of the people them from Brooklyn, from Bronx, big up all the Connecticut people them. See it? Right now, we just got touchdown and clock in. Him get the opportunity to play first, but him say we have to play first. So, nothing wrong. We'll kick off the ball game like this.
Hey, well, if a war make it start then. Tribe Star, we no pay town, we no big friend. Jump and sound is not a problem. Them are gonna use them drum pan and feed the hog them. What you don't know, it's all about
we'll start the clash nice and easy.
Sal Sanchez says so. I don't know. Tribe Star and I full das to the end, cause you don't know. Those are big up yourself, you know. Jack one. Yeah, me juvenile.
Big up the whole Tribe Star team everywhere.
Fire Shane. Yeah, man, you don't know what murderers in a dance hall when they take check. So you hear me? Big up the whole of South Bronx, you know. Burnside. 183rd. I hear me 164th same way to, you know. Shalem. Montserrat. The whole of Jamaica and UK surround that. Tribe Star.
Brooklyn, make we start the war like this.
And a murder.
Ready!
You say you wanna test Tribe Star. You want us to clash together. But Tribe Star beat you badly.
Some boy don't know what kind of war they woke up in tonight.
Tribe Star sound will kill your sound. The Tribe Star sound will throw you down.
Pussy one Black Emperor.
In a country
you never on video and chat off your mouth. Pussy one, let me tell you this from early.
Up the mountains and sky masters, when we meditate, we listen to the big dub plates played by Tribe Star sound.
Me don't know what kind of sound you think you're rampant, boy.
The fence, start the quality.
But let me tell you this.
37 chambers of the Bingy Temple. Rastaman sit up in all the time for yard.
Easy.
Swinging na me I'm up on that song boy a tremble. Sing this little song out to the Tribe Star people. Up in the hills where the rivers run through. Body and jungle swimming down in my.
Big up all Rastaman and I players. Oh, God bless.
Fool. Tribe Star so me they are active.
Walk one.
And it's a final call.
So boy get up. Kingpin, we play this over Montserrat. What you tell me about the Baltimore, yeah?
Yeah. Jump and don't like to admit it. That Tribe Star sound is the champion.
Me don't know what kind of war them think them a fight.
Clash team. Well, in come the man call Matic. Mine representing for sound like Tribe Star Sound. And I say big up Lenny. Yeah, man, ranks. Take it easy, no, man.
First round!
Well, in come the man called Martin.
I would sound there tonight, Brooklyn!
To overstand now. Yo, we there, something Tribe Star Sound. Oh, Lord. Kill we plan for kill our sound. A sound boy have fi mad fi test the Tribe Star Sound. See we need the jacks of many faces wearing smiles.
This is our first round. I'm in a hold back no song tonight. I don't know what kind of war that boy I think he might fight, but me I tell
Every
him.
so often, a precedence is set with greatness. Kick. Yeah. Christopher Ellis. Yes, indeed.
Brooklyn on the warning from early.
And the UK, Da Vinci, Lenny, Moto, Luke, Starboy Blacks. Big up South Bronx, Burnside, 183rd Street, 664 Ross Valley. Christopher Ellis come to kill.
Walk one in here tonight.
Some sound I go get gunshot and won't know what to do.
Oh.
Some sound only start then stop, but they can't play like you. Tribe Star Sound will murder you. Ha. Will murder you. Champion Sound will murder you.
Mr. Brooklyn, me now hold back for no song tonight.
Burnside. And the 183rd. 183rd Street.
From early. Some boy better have music in them dub box tonight.
Killer sound. Tribe Star Sound is it to kill your sound, and there's nothing that you can do.
You hear that?
Star is it to teach you a lesson.
Sound Clash killing. I'm Mr. Me now hold back no song.
Tribe Star Sound, Da Vinci Large, Lenny, Anson, Lukey, Dosa, Jaquan. There's what you
Tribe
say.
Star make me feel from deep down in my soul. I'm losing.
Some boy better have music.
And I can't fight this feeling.
Let me say yo.
Right. A boy I go there tonight. The way me girl hold me tight. Now I can't fight this feeling. No.
Tribe Star Sound nice. Right now a sound boy I go lose him life. With a W seat you know them have to play it twice. I jump on sound of them tonight. The Undertaker will be satisfied, you know.
Mr. Black Emperor, uno better have music on and dub box tonight, boy.
I mean I say that Da Vinci, I mean I say yo. Juvenile, I mean I say Romy, I mean I say yo Fire Shane. I mean I say Bronx. Bro. Tribe Star Sound.
Boy, you better have song.
Sound boy, you violate the mighty Tribe Star. Bad man, I figure kill you. Your Tribe Star, I figure murder you. Kill him and murder you.
You hear that?
Why you not live one day from your DC Tribe Star? Your DC Tribe Star, that the all-out paradise king. Tribe Star sound me.
Brooklyn.
Tribe Star, why? Killing sound, why you Tribe Star there? Find them and find when a Matic will sing. Tribe Star sound them fear. Them not back like you know.
So if me play that song upon the rhythm, me no must play that one here too.
Let's do this one. Hear this. The 1, 2, 3 sound. The 4, 5, 6 sound. In the dance, how your tribes.
Brooklyn, me are going, you know.
Nice.
We are wait for when them reach in, see what them do. You see next round?
Hey, back.
But just right now.
While you sound roar, anything that you know about Tribe Star Sound. Look, your sound is about to get dropped.
Peace. Brooklyn. I just, you know, warm up the thing early round, you know. Them boy, they better have music in them dub box tonight. That me I tell you, no. Listen that juggling here where we are going to put on them in the morning here. Them things say we come to play the regular. Giddy up, budu, 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 budu. No. First round, easy. Listen.
Man from here, the melody, you know, it's me, Martin, and dancing to the fullest for the big bad sound, Tribe Star, you know. I'm going to say big up man like Loki. You know Lenny the Vince. You know Anson. You know Romy. You know Fire Shane. You know say big up the whole Bronx.
Brooklyn, listen how we voice song.
Put some violate and all it. Kick out face. Kick it.
If I climb my way.
Brooklyn, listen.
Another jump and sound boy every.
Listen.
Yo, listen. I wish my 9 and my 4-5 could be friends. And when we're going on a date,
listen,
I bring the boat to them. Oh,
I wish my 9 and my 4-5 could be free.
I see my 4-5, look at me no side chick. Imagine up in the dance and we inside. Possibilities of feeling sound exciting.
So that man say, fly him out.
You know where we walk with tonight? Them things that we left Bronx and left you up there. You know where we walk with tonight, Brooklyn?
Some say, cause nothing but guns and ammunition. To kill the sound, it's a easy thing. Such a easy thing. Tribe Star, gonna end
Brooklyn
extension.
Glimpse of this.
Soon boy, I get everything.
Brooklyn, now teach them boy you something in the morning.
Green Bay Killers. A nation boss, yeah.
Listen, Brooklyn.
I represent.
Me nine boogie up. Me nine ready, jump up, yeah. Listen.
Kill sound and we get a little rope. We go hang a sound, boy, you know we never run a joke. And I only judge I know Hanson. I get the rifle with the scope, right? You know the crime rate, it have to go up. A boy have to dead when we sound a touch a road. Cause them know say a tribe star go.
Brooklyn, listen how you put juggling.
Provoke.
Me don't know what them boy are them on the night, but them better have music.
Whole tribe star sound.
Brooklyn, we can't tell you from early what I go on tonight. Tell Black Emperor from early.
Worries in the dance, worries tonight. Tribe star kill the sound. Why worries? Worries in the dance, worries there. Tribe star that's the sound. Why worries?
You come to kill anything about ya. I remember say tribes.
Any ganja man there in ya.
Tonight.
All who born ganja, boss a blank in ya now.
Don't fight because I want to.
Listen.
Authority, so a sound boy dead tonight. Bullet. Wow. Police in helicopter. I look the tribes.
All ganja man, herbalists.
Soldiers in the field. I look for the killer.
Mr. him tell me if you play first. So listen this song that we are going to play from early. Paradox are your artist.
Oh, I lift up my hands to the tribe star. Cause he murdered drum pan.
I would have pussy ya.
You put food on my table. Yes, and in my heart a song. Tribe star sound will kill you so.
This boy go on video talk about it's gonna be a long night. You know why the pussy talk about it's gonna be a long night?
It's a tribe star. Some boy a try war. But me tell
you know why I'm saying it's gonna be a long night?
When enough of them can't sleep at night, them all a worry and fit. A true tribe star, them a try for disrespect. Them don't get the warning, this is the threat. Nice at Mabrook and all a whole city wreck. Hypocritical mockers, watch all your steps.
Me say, you see how we take time on the place of bunks now? You see how we take time on the place of bunks? You know how me slap him in the face with the next song?
Tribe star! The little fool them declare war. Hey, Tribe Star.
What we are use and kill him?
Tribe Star kill that sound and that sound and that sound and that sound and that sound there. That sound there.
With what?
With that dubby and that dubby and that dubby and that dubby and that dub there. That dub there. Tribe Star kill them with a Ninja 4 dub.
Hey!
Ninja man and the Shabba Bronx dub there.
Buckler do that boy them man. Boy, me say you better have music.
I Ninja 4 of the microphone now.
That's a one
representing for the sound called.
That's a one Ninja 4. See one more upon the pussy.
I said Javintry, Lenny, Luke, Scrooks, Starboy, Shane, Juvenile, Westmoreland, Burnside. Go on the road there, man. Early.
Me say me now wait for a little more, you know. Ready now.
Hey. Well, early sound clash, man. In Tribe Star kill sound boy, again drunk grow eat him. Early sound clash. Tribe Star.
That boy don't know why him there. Brooklyn him know why him there.
Tribe Star sound. Whoa. We ready for murder some clown. Gunshot I left them.
Pussy what Black Emperor, you know where you're there.
on the corner. Tribe star ready for this bomb class sound. We a kill everything on the corner. No as you might know what you put. No fussy, no settlement on the corner. Be a get to you sitting on a wall of one vibes. Tell some life on the corner. That made him a guy violate. Then him put him a see another night on the corner. No boy could ever try more less than 13-year wolf on the corner. No guy could ever.
Hold on there. Him thinks we can play one Bronx artist from early. Him thinks say through me there Brooklyn me not go play no Bronx artist. We can play one from early.
Tribe Star Sound.
Yep.
Tribe Star Sound, go kill them all and come back alone and step in a post the whole zone and suck my chrome and take him girl named Simone and tell him. Boom, what this?
Brooklyn are just the early round, you know.
Boom, what this? What that Tribe Star kill that? Boom, what this? What that a Tribe Star it a shock? Boom, what this? What that?
Just like how Team Tormentor video the thing. You know what really are going.
Go run, Lenny, crooks. Motherfucking niggas nothing but some crooks. Hey yo, Starboy, good place called Westwell and Burnside. Hey yo, you know, 183rd South Bronx.
You know what,
what one the world we a tell. Tribe Star rock the dub, name send boy oil. Them this Tribe Star then in a minute them fell. Get bullet in a them head, them out them brain cell well. See me and me gun and them go slime me.
The dance name 20 Matic. People as you can see, and me wanna play the song. Me never forward with no 20 Matic. You know what me walk with?
Clutch a gal have a visa. Designer beats and cologne a creed dad. Yo, Tribe Star, stop me, we kick it up a notch. Yo, Tribe Star. Glock 40 pa my belly, my clotty, but my ready shot dog, she when she ready.
Voila!
High grade full of thoughts, small a medi. I any summer beat when it mix with the Remy.
Hold on the people. Black Emperor is an old sound. Remember me had a little baby sound when I no sang. Them is an old sound. So all the fuck them really there I play against a little baby sound like me. All of the people that have ambition gone on in our ear.
Burnside.
You see that sound, yeah?
Watch it. Family and juvenile and the money you call me. Call my daughter figure Benz and my son in a hardy. You them not for up, for no blood.
Kingpin.
Yo. What you say about Tribe Star for the first round? All right. Well, we're not going to waste no time. Keep this thing moving and flowing. Black Emperor. 15 minutes starts when your first song plays. Black Emperor for the first round.
Yeah. People do remember next week, November 1st, LP versus Stereo 5. Easy Kaya, Speedy, the whole Bronx family. Big up my Brooklyn family. Big up my Queens family. What them say, who God bless? Who God bless? The man forward, for him to even bless God, him just start run tune. Big man, this is a sound clash. Address the people right. Bless the place, and it's a time for killing, right? And a sound clash this. It's a fucking sound clash, and the man are playing like a radio station sound, which he is. Radio station. This is Black Emperor, and this is how we start.
Long live the king, Black Emperor! Black Emperor runs the world with music continually for your soul. Any time try to test, they'll end up cold. But easy fire, ice, and mind you down.
Easy exploded!
Big up yourself, Soji.
Super force!
Give me thanks to the Almighty. Church. Well, Black Emperor, was a crowded night, a clash like this. When I walked into the dance hall, when I listened to the music played for me, played by Black Emperor sound, as the music touched down in the lung, brought tears to Soundboy's face. I said to myself that I must rise until the human race. Once I know, Black Emperor sound was made to. This is Lucian the Messenger. Tell us about not to taste sweet.
What him name? Transmission Star?
Who could it be, the Lord? Who could it be, the way? Who could it be now? Trying to test Black Emperor sound, oh God. Who could it be, the Lord? Who could it be, the way? Who could it be now? Trying to test the Emperor sound, oh.
Black Emperor, tell some boy.
Brother, this is Brooklyn, New York. Batman sound.
New York, Black Emperor. Tell the sound them before them start war. Think it's over, over. Run come this Black Emperor, now them must get done over. Because tonight them come for a long fight.
All who not biased to dance, put 2 on the air right about now. All who want to see a sound dead right about now, put 2 on.
Black Emperor sound, the A1 sound. This stuff.
You are kill me, come for kill.
Look, my brothers, look what you see is going on. How many sound? I've been tuned by Black Emperor sound.
A big rubber dub sound this.
The champion sound.
And the radio station sound.
Love sound.
Hey boy, you think I joke thing tonight?
Black Emperor sound, the A1 sound.
Sha-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la, ding boy, boy.
In a rush.
So no absence. I the selector with a beer in it, stand your heart. Big up Soji, so no absence. I the selector with a beer in it. Big up Feda. Fit you up, fit you up, fit it. Easy picture, me know you fit. Fit it. Say Black Emperor, yes them smart. Smart, yes Black Emperor. Ever smart. Well in the.
Some boy face, me I say, yo. Shankle them nankle, me Timberland boot, na some boy face and.
Me just a cruise and kill him tonight.
Hey. Oh, believe me, them punks that grieve me. This Black Emperor.
Black song for them, no man. You man just one fullness of heart. You know, let it go because the world of you know it's boring.
Yeah, man.
Version, you know. Yeah, man. Oh, no. Sizzler. Babylon, I listen yet they are so far.
Hey, boy, you know how long I've been doing this? You know how long I've been doing this? Pick up the whole Black Emperor family right about now, coach!
Hey, Black Emperor, you're the teacher. With one leap apprentice, Mikey Dan. Hey, Peter, you are chemist now this. Black Emperor, tell them say you've been through hills and valley and survive out of the old gangster.
Me not rush.
Of gunshot.
Me I go kill him nice and easy.
When them think we dead back in the
people,
we rally. We hold them and pop it off. More guns, man, where we go.
Yes, I'm here, see more love, more joy, more strength. Lots of my life, follow my life, so chick popped out and quite a
not but classic wicked tune. Yes.
So me go so then and tell them say, show me uno and all original the gunman a Black Emperor say. Whoa. Yeah.
Hey, little boy, can I tell you something?
And then me can't take the blum, ratatata, blam, blam. Black Emperor, he might go in another jump and can't take the blum, ratatata, blam, blam. Black Emperor, he might go in another jump and there is.
Boy.
Yeah, real berries.
Yeah. Black Emperor was meant to be.
Wheel up that, hey. And the trophy me come for. When the trophy there, me say a trophy me come for. What I know?
Oh, na. Black Emperor sound playing good music for we. Now massive, let's rise and shine. Give Black Emperor Sound the trophy. Playing good music for we. No, massive.
Brethren, I told you it's gonna be a long night. You think I joke thing?
Little singer.
This is Brooklyn, New York.
Sound pretty.
All who want to hear some good music,
So
say good.
we can see.
Nation sing one of the wickedest, original rhythm, original
Black Emperor.
wicked thing.
Black Emperor.
Brooklyn, New York, this, right? Let me tell you this.
Dub plates playing in the ghetto tonight. We're gonna rock you tonight. Black Emperor, I rock you tonight. Black Emperor, I kill another zinc pan tonight.
What the real ganja smokers there?
We're gonna rock you tonight.
New York artists.
I rock you.
You must have tune, listen tune.
Me block me sentimina and them take it away. Me block me sentimina and them take it away. Oh, Jaja.
Who's in here?
Black Emperor, the ruling sound. Black Emperor.
We're gonna rock you tonight. Black Emperor, I rock you tonight. We're gonna rock you.
Here, big tune for the money.
You seek of only vanity and no love for the Black Emperor will fade away.
Why not pull up?
Fade away. The Black Emperor,
little boy,
Majesty, and
you talk about me must have tune. You better have tune. This is Black Emperor. One thing me want to tell Tribe Star.
HMG. Yeah. Mr. Mojo. Black Emperor come again. Peter. Roots and culture. Bronx. Oh, with your fire. And blue. Yeah. This is Black Emperor style.
Nobody not tell him. Hold on, no. Hold on. Nobody never tell him about Black Emperor. Big man, nobody tell you about this song. Them elders in the Bronx didn't tell you. Bumbo clad boy, a worries for you.
Style. All people say, if you test Black Emperor, you will get your.
You say you a little sound, not me. You say you the little sound. Well, since you are little stone, stay in your motherfucking place.
Radio Bumbo Stadium. Hey yo, it's here with Black. Fredda. Hey yo, Gambino. So chill. Hey yo, motherfuckers, niggas should know it.
You know what I'm trying to do?
And a shatter.
Hey yo.
Whatever. I know some boy no know what it really takes to make them be a shatter. I know some boy no know. Emperor them find out them a big waste matter.
Sound boy here with fear to play with. Top them every job sound they doesn't hear with. Tryna come here with if you dead to
what on
Black Emperor them can't share with. One time so
it's bound to kill a long time. Wait, what? There's a combat jumbo. She didn't know. Blow up them bomb. Black Emperor kill them slow. Where they gotta run them? So you bet.
What we are gonna do with him tonight?
Sound boy, you ready to die? You ready to lose? Sound boy, you better pray. Black Emperor got nothing to prove. Dirty and some shoes. You ready to die?
Yo, Paradox. Where you find this fool there? You never know a young sound. I am admitted. Tell them, Paradox. When me ganja man, ganja woman there. All who smoke real weed, where you know there?
well done.
I just gotta say, smoke your ganja. It's Black Emperor. Hey yo, I'm smoking in the black bush,
Not a mercy.
Well,
smoke your herb, get tongue some praise. It make me think constructive and brave.
Cause it was found on King Solomon's grave, the wisest man in his days. Oi, I'm serious, me not make no joke.
You hear that? I'ma show you how to run sound, big man. You fucked up by coming by yourself. Nobody to help you. I hope next round somebody jump up and help you. Hear what me I tell you right about now.
Black Emperor rule.
Big deal. Hey.
Believe you are tough, son, why? Believe you are rough, son, why? Believe you are tough, but you know rough like
Paradox call me. I say, Mikey, I got a sound for you. Me say, which sound? Him say, Tribe Star. Me say, transmission. Him say, Tribe Star. Me say, radio station. Him say, Tribe Star. So me say, yo, how much money you have? He said, Mikey, give me a price. Me give him the price. The Zelle came into my pocket. Once that came in, I already know my duty.
They're gonna borrow. Man, so number one champion.
Brooklyn, you know what I come to do?
But bye bye bye, but bye 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 bye, but bye bye bye, but bye 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 bye, but bye bye bye.
You know what me come to do?
Kill and collect black emperor, kill and collect. Me tell you about kill and collect black emperor, kill and collect and kill and collect go come for kill.
You must think a joke song.
Kill and collect.
Pussy, let me tell you this.
See there, them have them life on a gateway.
Let me play a Bronx sound, then a Bronx tune.
Sound boy, you better know who you want to deal with first before you tell me how much your blood thirsts. Yes, you better know who you want to speak with first. Black Emperor, I put the whole of them in the earth. Yes, they better know who them a deal with first before them.
What? I cry for them, I never cry for peace, man. Black Emperor, so we can't tell them something.
A boy, a bad man youth. Me soon tell you no.
How come a man go with the hypocrite? Black Emperor say, how we energy you can't.
So the man tell himself 450 representing you know. The Black Emperor sound and I say Mikey Dan. Yo, for your eyes.
You must take a joke song. Listen tonight.
In the Black Emperor. Murder, 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 murder. Some sound amuse them out too much now is a gravy tenure. We go by and all I know your body still not turn up. Not take no threat, you're for dead, so you make with nervous. Murder, 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 power mine. I coulda never Black Emperor, you want for style. Lord with 9 pussy, I who for sound and try for style. But I'm murder, yo. But people.
Pussy, let me tell you this. You make one fucking mistake. You know what mistake you made? Anybody can tell me what mistake he made? What him do? No, not that. Pussy, well, let me tell you what mistake you did.
Pussy, I'm dead. Black Empire.
Let me tell you what him do.
No. Tell me. If you cross the bridge, your life's gone in a sorrow. And if you cross the bridge, Black Emperor, them life in a pain. And it's some zigzag shine that I gone like river. And you will
watch how me kill him.
Black Emperor again. Okay. The one on this man.
Since you crossed the bridge,
beat again. See me. Some boy fire bingy. Hey yo, over there, so let me tell you this. Bumbleclad Black Emperor go murder you. Bumbleclad gangsta for life, but do no bumbleclad. War no want emperor ready for compete. Me no chat him out and me tell up make the talk.
One of them say last one. Pussy, well you are go dead tonight. Me not lie, you are go dead.
Yo, this is Anthony Red Rose. Emperor, the Black Emperor, the body's
last one, people.
Yo, R.I.P. Peter. Watch it now, man. Big up yourself, Jayot. You're with the angels. Yo, Soldier, big up yourself.
R.I.P. Peter.
Yourself. Erklan, hey, big up yourself. Mikey Dan, big up yourself. Shaman, watch out, man.
Last one, Marlon Killer, big up yourself, Marlon X.
Rose found no case. Run the
FT.
Not too much for murder, we murder. Can't say me never did I warn you. Black Emperor sound kill you. It's only tough who can't fit you.
Brooklyn!
No trouble, take your Lord of God. Pick me shot it, I go fit you. Come.
Yeah. People, what you say about the Black Emperor sound? All right. I like how the Clash is moving. That concludes the first round for the 20 Matic Clash. It's very simple. I'm going to ask you if you think the sound has won. All you got to do is put your hands in the ear. That's it. You don't have to make any noise. Just put your two hands in the ear. So, after listening to the first round, shine a light, everybody. This is where everybody looks around now. Good. Right. After listening to the first round from Tribe Star, all who said Tribe Star has won that round, put two hands in the air. Everybody put them up, look around, take them down. If you say that Black Emperor won the the first round, put your two hands in the air. All right. That one they clear. It's clear. Black Emperor has won that round. First round, everybody, when I say it, I want y'all to look around and see what's going on behind you and in front of you. Here, pause. So, this is the beginning of the second round. 20 Matic Sound Clash. Tribe Star, you have 15 minutes in your second round. Your time starts when your tune plays. Your time.
All right. No problem. Everything good. Make we start address some things. No. They might talk about, this is Brooklyn. Brother, you can't tell me about Brooklyn. You see, when me left Jamaica, the first place me live, at Brooklyn. The first place me born a spliff, at Brooklyn. The first place me get some pussy, at Brooklyn. The first place me bust a bumbuckler gun, at Brooklyn. So all the pussy for tell me about Brooklyn.
Tell them, son, nobody asks about what you don't know.
All this pussy for tell me about Brooklyn. Make we start kill now.
They don't know nothing much about Beverly Hills. They don't know about working for the system. They don't know about life on Miami Beach. But they could tell
Brooklyn!
You just ask them out.
Already Tribe Star now laughing up. Slow down, pussy off of dead. Hear me, someone kind of me.
Make we start play some song for y'all on the gunman them in and now. Me knows that Brooklyn a bad man place. Make we bad up the place now.
Hey, sing up.
Have you ever heard a sound 544 at the door? You get guns and I got guns. Need Hanson at the corner. In this smooth wild west, a boy want to feel looky gun in I'm
pussy bleed out like a bomb juice, man. Dead.
Lay them to rest.
And in Brooklyn on the tell Black Emperor.
Stripe Star sounds in. Gunshot in the ear for you know say a sound for move them bumbo clad from
pussy better move.
Alabine man.
I know that alone.
Say a sound for moving bumbo. Stripe Star say gunshot in the ear for you know say a sound for move them bumbo clad.
You think of that? When we say combo, we mean combo to bumbo.
Moving bumbo.
Yo, wrong, alright. Sound boy, you see a pretty coffin where you like. Tribe Star ready for murder, jump on tonight.
Brooklyn, me no know how the pussy come in here and chat tough. Me, see that brother there at Bronx, up a rough Sundays. When me walk in and them say big up Tribe Star, the pussy take the exit immediately. So I'm coming here and chat tough. Brooklyn, you know why I'm run left Bronx when them see me?
Greatest. Tribe Star say, I'm from a place where the guns them enough. We a bust out, jump on that carpet.
I want this pussy man.
Yeah.
But me fuck up cause me forward by myself. You can't go and come with my batty boy.
Cause if them violate, you know we kill jump and sound. Before the evening, Tribe Star murder.
Tell him!
Kill a sound any freaking day. When I sound play, therefore you disobey from them.
Ow him!
You know them a got the
Brooklyn ask him!
Tribe Star murder sound boy in a morning.
Tribe Star! How are them boy? South Bronx, Burnside, 183rd, you know the word.
You hear about transmission star? How the fuck you fi see me and mix me up with transmission? How the fuck?
No, we got never fail. Guy watch him speech and him words what him saying. Killer is here, call Tribe Star, them willing. Which part them a go with Haitian days? What time style?
With your bumper clad, slow juggling pussy.
Start tell them we don't fear no one. me big 45, make out a blue steel lion. Murder cowboy and killing the young. Pandelier rock him on me.
How this done?
Second, well, how the clash was won. And when it began, a tribe star them so.
Hear him, you know? Boy, him name Mikey Dan. Pussy, your middle name is Donovan. Cause you know no Donna Bumbo class.
Yes, no man. And trap star, them not going up. Every day we out here fight war, you know it right? Can't find.
Hey boy, you see when you sign the contracts for Global Sound send you know where you do Bumbo wall.
Tribe star, from them violate looking nice scope. I want you to write a suicide note. Tribe star pop it off, cause you know like joke.
A gunman sound you ramp with boy.
It's a choke, a chigga press, a beer smoke. When me say your case, I feel.
Only see this boy pan no battlefield, much less I kill nobody. So all the mumma pussy clat him come in here go and talk.
Bronx, outside, yo. Christian enough you don't want to solve, man. Escrow man beyond, but the expressway.
Brooklyn, ask the boy there.
Sounds you. I never go like bully, sir. I'm borderline, them now gone. I want to know, I want fly in a year.
Make you a war, hey!
Chunking son, word go round, sound demand them from Buckner Espresso. Them a go call you, try star sound no place, sound no.
Pussy, if you want to live, you know what you fi do.
You want wine, you better charm one away. Ever lay, know where you work, them on the know where you play.
Please, Brooklyn, you see before the night done. You know when me I go prove to you before the night done.
Bro to J, Kimani.
Well, I don't know. Bumbo clap, man. TribeStar sound. Well, this is Kimani Marley speaking, a.k.a. the man show.
How is that TribeStar?
You see before the night done. You don't know what I go find out.
Starboy, Blocks.
Burnside, 183rd Street, 664, Salem. Madman's Trap.
You don't know what I go find out.
Bro to J, Kimani, Marley. Oh, you mean?
Well, if you don't know now,
them never know.
Me I tell you.
Say what?
Them sound boy, they are some real jumping. Now fire up bird.
Brooklyn a combination, wait for protege.
Birds, the TribeStar sound.
Oh, man.
The number one.
We kill a sound all before them play. TribeStar sound, we no cooperate.
Dash! Hey, Black Label, you have a style where you like tell people say, combo. We like that style them. You're going to thief your style right now. That one you name combo to bumbo. You know who?
It's Bounty Killer and High did it.
Nala.
One up in a one vice. General.
Take one juvenile. Motto Shads Fire Shane. Stubborn.
Yes, I badness start.
Peter tell him not. It's Bounty Killer and High did it. Room cool. TribeStar no afraid and no liquor dread boy. Bullet in a face and no in a leg boy. To this TribeStar, then you he's a dead boy. You must see sick in your head boy.
Tell him.
TribeStar no afraid and no liquor son boy. This TribeStar in the blood your John boy.
Brooklyn, you don't want him for me. You want him for me.
TribeStar. Boom! Girl came no fuck round the gangsta sound. Party no sweet like no damn cologne. Them come in up with place come fire one shot. TribeStar a go
murder boy you know.
Gear we no Matic plug in 45 chain gear we no.
Rascal. Lady Kaya, big up yourself. You can't there. I'm see you. I'm in a play the artist, yeah.
Right. I just straight killing and blood spilling. Check one, Juvenile, Howard, Shane, Starboy, Blocks, Bronx, Burnside, Westmoreland.
You know what?
I'm gonna like up. Hypocrite and parasite, TribeStar no like up. But him and Saddam, I TribeStar no like up. Niggas when them over hype, pass the way you give you a fight. So called, hey, Burnside, we no like up. Watch you put my satellite and we no. Well, not a feel like we prefer night, Jake one no like up. When the sound boy, you get hype, TribeStar will flip up off them tribe.
Ready again, on.
Enough of them will see them come and flip up a hype up and I dress up in a military jacket of stripe up. I want like them a beard and when we check it.
Listen, me don't know what kind of war that boy you feel in my fight.
Problem, let me tell you something. And when me a wanna boy, no.
You hear my talk about it's gonna be a long night.
Let me
boy, let me tell you this.
Pussy. So you can play the last W. I bumbo tonight. Me say you a go lose your life.
You better know.
TribeStar in the dance, you gonna dead tonight. Don't forget who is the ruling sound and who it's gonna be. A tribe star big we kill sound boy we don't know sympathy. Pin them in one, pin them in two. We got the permit for bury on the license for kill. This tribe star you better write. You will make a permit for bury on the license.
Hold on there. From night me no big up the promotion. Global Sound big up on yourself. Paradox. Gia. Cali big up on yourself. On the promotion are going good. Big up on yourself. Last time when I send a young sound. When me say me a young sound, I just cared me and me. Him pick up the argument. Shut the fuck up. Nobody now chat to you. Bad man attack. Pussy. Sit down. You attack. Only send a young sound last time. No, only send a whole sound. So you know what that mean?
Tell them about the tribe star. Them boy they know I star.
You know what that mean?
Side star. Alright, so we get some new sound for dead, some old sound for dead. Them this tribe star and gunshot in and them head we get some old sound for dead and some new sound for dead. Go tell them tribe star, me say friend bring a big bumper red. The lyrics a come out of me head.
Hold on there.
Every select.
Well, me say me big up all the promoters them. Me big up Kaden, you're there, so you're the one here for you, Kaden. Hear ya.
Penny day, penny weather, tribe star song.
Brooklyn, tell the boy you know.
Gunshot and some boy get weather.
You know where am I getting in morning?
Wicked and some boy, die. Tribe star sound, them love murder some boy. Alright, from the G steady was start. Some boy get gunshot in a imagine.
Shane, Scroops.
All you see him a tough up himself, Brooklyn, remember? You see by the time the morning done, you know I go find out.
Dinner, visit in the yam, product in a land. Living chip, miss them fuck a really click and get tweet in a run. Living chip, from them
this one, I know them this all.
Fuck it up down, no care no response, put away your big bang.
You hear him come up here chat one bag of things and you don't know nothing about that sound, yeah?
It's like I every other day, them find sit me new for try. No mention tribe star, them no feel them not the light. Time to all we love pussy, could go without a light. Tribe star, keep yourself, no in everybody heart. No few warrior, no everybody dog. Lion, no fifth dog.
I'm here him a chat off him mouth. And I play some bounty pussy, no run, no bumbo cloud bounty joke with me.
Blood clot, batty boy, run hook. Hey yo, Crusher, Lenny, Shane, sketchy, motherfucking niggas should know. He's all out with the Glock and the special.
No way y'all do.
Well, I can't believe a whole Matic Sound gets some hole. Can't believe some son boy you done pussy hole.
I who him? I who him?
Me can't believe tribe star.
We can't believe. Hey.
But you should never try to stand for vibes wall. Hey yo, look, run.
Hey you boy, you called Batman Transmission Star. Pussy.
Burnside. Pussy and Batty man no want them around way. Want see me them, so them can get him own way. Batty boy can't come on stage, how comes down way. Tribe star the eagle and the act them surround way. Boy like coming.
Me no know who tell this boy say him could have really war with Batman Sound. You play a bounty about who send them pussy, man, me ask you this.
Hold on. When the pop off gun to put the team back. I who give him that?
You talk about who send them? Brooklyn!
Watch out. Oh, gas them up, cause we come bust the cylinder. Matic in a lap, chance start half got the window. We no flying kick in our chest, we no ninja. The whole of this strength in a me index finger. Bust the cylinder, cola tan pinter.
Pussy!
You see me dog, me never left the incha. Take with them life, them.
Hey boy, when you see that sound, you never in your bumbo cloud life run up.
I try and start. You ain't got it right. Rough up for it.
How man?
Lord.
You better have some pussy, y'all look. Ready again, on.
Rough up for it. No fuck up yard. I try and start at the bill jungle lord like my bad bitch. So the angle for the
pussy, you see me?
Yo, 183 Street, South Bronx. Yo, give thanks.
Bex cause your fans them give me too little forward. Go ahead.
Me can't tell you something. Tribe star sound boy get kick in the face. And if you're this tribe star, me friend Jonah, we no come here for trace. Yeah,
pussy, you're a bad man.
You won't face anything. Son boy start it right now to how me feel. Nobody can part it. Tribe star I tell some little pussy.
Hold on there now. Me say, him just a play song for play song. Me a play song and telling you about what happened before the clash, what going in at the clash, and what going happen after the clash. He make a video talk about him are the real selector. Him sound are the body sound on the planet. Which planet? This one? This one was Rasclad.
style, you must style, you know. So Bronx.
Him say man the body sound in our world.
Spice and Burnside.
Brooklyn ask the boy them.
Boss it. We don't know why them say them a top on the top. How we never hit. Fuck them in a no sound clash. I don't know why them say them.
How much more me have Kingpin?
And give them a full idiot.
I will say
top of top Bronx man, top of top chop. Top of top youths them we from Monster Rock. Top of top youths from the Roses Block. On top of them Skender from Clarendon Flat.
You know why him run left Bronx when him see me? Me can't tell him about me place now.
Boss it sin. Lord of mercy. Call my big all the while. Tribe Star around in a Bronx pan 183. Drop top Benz and him the bad like. Bully in a gas station pan a shooting spree.
What the bumbo clap?
Petrol then roll out quick, some boy violate the other. And one like you the rich well into Tribe Star and the girls them complain.
Voila!
One pack of 16 or 4-5.
Oversized clip.
Pick up Da Vinci and they can exit.
East! People, hear him talk about me come in and me never bless up the place. The first thing what me say is what? Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty. That, cause you have your man hood in your ear, pussy, shut up. Bad man attack, me tell you, you know, you chat too fucking much, your mouth are gonna be the reason why you're dead. Him said that. Look how much woman in and I'm not even big. Hey, all who love them mother, pick up on the hand in her ear.
You don't know, Mr. Tribe Star. Because self, you know.
Where would I be? Where would Tribe Star be?
Me not play a different juggling, but time not dead. All who love them mother.
Hey, mommy, we love you. There's nothing we put above you. No house, nor no girl, nor no car. You stand firm in our life, nothing about you. Come from a bar, and
me and you apart. Mommy, I'm a princess. Mommy, I'm a dan.
Sound violate, we're killing every jump on.
Yeah.
Special dedication to the big woman. Know from your love, your mama Sizzla sing a song.
Listen. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months to carry me through. 9 months. All those pain and
all of the man them love their mother. What you would do if a man this your mother? What you would do if a man this your mother?
Hey, Tribe Star.
One more.
Right there, I want to see some pussy. Tribe Star. All me need a thing full and get a bad driver. Then shell a spend shell a man a drop like what? Top striker.
Top striker.
Tribe Star walk one pop it off and
last one.
Star.
You see how him a chat tough? Pussy man, me tell you this.
Oh, we have the 5 star, don't know what go on. Watch this. Down bad, you're talking it in vain. Not in it, the cartridge and fling flame, mate.
Walk one,
everybody up.
What's gonna say for Tribe Star? Nice second round. All right, we're gonna keep it moving. This is the Black Emperor, 15 minutes for the second round. Black Emperor, your time starts when you play your first song. Mad.
Hold on. I thought this was a sound clash. It feel like Weddy Wednesday. Big man, you're in Brooklyn, New York, big man. You have to come here and play some big tune, big man. Yeah, play some weak tunes, some mosquito tunes. Big man. I didn't even open up the box yet to kill you yet. I beat up me one, beat you up right now. And let you know that blood clot big sound there. See? And you're talking about what do I know about Brooklyn? Big up the New England area, Hartford, Connecticut, Springfield, Boston. That's where I live. Pussywall. I'm born and grow. Brooklyn, New York. I'm from 50. Well, I know. I'm from 54th and Church. I went to my 11. I was gonna go to Tilden, but my mom said, "Yo, we have to move to Corona, Queens," and that's when I inherit Black Emperor. See? Here's some blood clot big tune. I kill me, come for kill you. Me not come for juggle. Here tune.
Ooh, oh, oh, Black Emperor. Ooh. Any sound white as Black Emperor, them jump and I go get you.
Hear that boy? people there. If you know your heart clean right about now, you're not biased this dance. Put 2 hands in the air right about now. What that?
Black Emperor.
Tick 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 Black Emperor tick 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 like clack. And there's someone just turn on them off each other. Well, all you go up and lump soldiers in a Black Emperor army. Well, no righteous apostles. Some
big tune, right? You know what I come to do? Paradox, you know what I came to do? Tribe Star!
Black Emperor goes up and jump on and anyone go dead. Sheldon a bossing one in the middle. The pay, we didn't go let you go.
People, this is a sound clash, not Weddy Wednesdays. I come to play big tune for you to give me forward so I could kill this little baby boy. All who say Mikey don't play a big tune, say big tune.
Na. Whoa, Black Emperor again.
So.
Junior Brown Sugar.
Rise, oh falling sound boys. Rise and take your stands again. You think you fight and run away. You never live to play another day. You're a jump and sound day on the wall. A jump and sound day on the wall. A carbon copy sound day on the wall. As a sound play silently. But Black Emperor make
all who reach Shabba rounds right about now. Give me some gun finger. Gun finger for Shabba.
Get the victory. Then a sound boy back there. Shabba ranking a sound boy you back there.
Yes, them have the heart of a pagan. Black Emperor have the heart of a lion, I know. Evil and move with Satan.
He thinks because I'm by myself selecting it's gonna be an easy walkover. You know how long I've been doing this?
Black Emperor sound. Get the man a buffalo, soldier man a Rambo. Them man a real sound killer like Django. I just the murder rose stage and make pretend so. Black Emperor sound a murder jump and so. Tell them man
Paradox, Brooklyn people. I didn't say it. He said it. He said he was the baby sound and I'm the big sound. So why did he take the date? He knew he was gonna clash me. You know what happened? He did his research and find out Bumbo Clot at the Emperor, Black Emperor this. Pussy wall. One thing me I gotta tell you right about now.
Black Emperor. Why? Adios sound boy. That means goodbye if you're not a fucking sense here. A Black Emperor sound. Well, if you feel Black Emperor, they have to laugh with people. You're wrong. Me tell you, my kid, I no shoot and miss. Any sound guy, this, you know, we program to kill. Something that them alone can play a song, and we'll be broken when them walk out. But then,
you know what we tell them?
Murder sound tonight. Don't come back.
Me say a big tune me come for play tonight. The man say, me are the world selector. You don't know why they call me the world selector? Let me tell you.
Keep it burning and me can't cool like the king of fire. I want to do them. Say them for no. Say me and the baddest thing ever born. No for them we say me never born. And me never rip
big up fire
born.
Echo.
Yo, I'm just a Black Emperor. I'm just a Peter, watch, I'm just a Mikey Dan. And the king of fire, one for them. Read them up. Black Emperor sound.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna see me, I'm gonna Peter, I'm gonna Mikey Dan. And the king of fire. Anyway, I go say yo. Any city, any town, Black Emperor, I kill them sound. When you look at no,
a Black Emperor sound. What the man called Peter, what the man called Silly, and the man called Mikey Dan. Don't for those songs.
You what we tell them?
Something, yeah. Oh, no, see we don't can't talk, but to see dead, I rather rinse the machine till dinner.
Paradox. Find the next song right now, me not drop.
Wanna make it out clear, yes we.
Black Emperor. I want to do them. Aye. Mama tell them. Sit down. One heap of sound boy I go suffer. One heap of sound boy I go die. Knox Black Emperor why? Now ask Stapleton why. Black Emperor tell them boy. Big no couple them people if you die.
Black Emperor son, your father feather. My kid and fire eyes hurting. I mean say R.I.P. Peter. You know how to jump on Black Empire son.
June!
Hey, we bury them way up on the mountain. I was trying to play in a fountain. Violate Black Emperor, you're gone there. You're killing her.
Me, I go kill him.
Yes, yo.
And put him somewhere nice and cool.
Kill sound boy.
I'm getting at the area.
Lock off the light, let me kill him now.
I mean, I say Black Emperor sound, the real sound, that's our boss, you know. Father fella. Black Emperor, kill them, hide them in the dark room. Them wash out them blood in the bathroom. Then about life father fella, not even the shadow. Yet this fire ice, your life.
This is one of my favorite rhythms. From one of my favorite sound. When you hear this rhythm from back in the days, which artist bust this rhythm? When Addies are playing, tell me. Who know? I wish artists. I wish. Well, I know.
These motherfucking fools so hell. No mercy. Come in. They should saw this coming.
Brooklyn Bounty Killer.
No mercy. Guns out and thunder on people like God. Man, I kill them and then a preacher. Black Emperor. I want to them fool. My kid and these motherfucking fools so hell. No mercy. Come in. They should saw this coming. Not yet ready. No mercy. Guns out and thunder on people like God. Man, I kill them and then a preacher. Black Emperor no one. Guns out and thunder on all your mother life gone. This Emperor in your grave you remain.
Murder them.
I come to play some big tune tonight.
Hey yo, man.
You tell them.
You want me tell him no?
When I see sound boy, I try step away. Black Emperor kill them from far. You know ready for the war.
Why?
We tell them say, go this sound boy, I go get doom. Them little jump and I put down in a tomb. Sound boy shall surely and I know when this dog drop them young go.
Him not have no love in him heart. He not even big up the brethren that bust the sound, the bust the radio station sound. R.I.P. Dandana. Lucky him wife is not even here to box you up, man, for disrespecting the sound. A blood-clad radio station sound that.
Some boy them never seen them, never saw. Some boy know so. From them got this man, you well them get locked jaw. Yo them a draw, yo them no. Can't say you can't.
You bad mind.
Hey, never let them worry you at all. Hey, you can only be yourself, my friend, that's all. I'm sure they have said it many times before. Still them can't father me, them that's for sure. Black Emperor, you the chance. I'm the people feel so nice and secure. Tell them love is always there. No matter how it's sorry.
Alright, let me juggle this, man. Show him the fucking juggling and the clash, yo. You have to play with some synths and kill him. Kill him now, Mikey.
Son boy, boss when he clap them fire. And you know one government I may represent for Black Emperor. The wickedest, the maddest, the toughest sound. I do some bumbo clad clown, a Black Emperor sound. Me I say my kid and me I say Fire Ice, me I say Urkel.
When there?
Black Emperor. Black Emperor, steady with the Matic. Anywhere we see the enemy, we shot him, oh God. Steady up, bumbo wall leather bus. Black Emperor be rubber grip. We bust up boy head for the fun of it. We no take styling from nobody. Anywhere we go, fi boy with a new something to the P have to go. And we murder the fuck of them. Run it out for eyes, me I say Urkel. I never
brand new
Steve Urkel. Boy coulda tough like sea turtle. Yeah, my Black Emperor. We wicked and violent, devilish. From we a little boy, mommy tell we this. Extended Celtic like selfie stick. We love the chrome browning, what a sexy bit. And we should batch it in a the
time I run, so me a cut and cut you.
Boss is a healthy kick and a
one in a dem a take extra chip in a we pocket. So we know say somebody got dead. Never see no man in a traffic. Tell the pussy them to stop it. You not see the
whole of them a poker.
Go crime, we no know about them. On the night we a kill both in Black Emperor and murderer. We don't see the pussy where hard fit hurt.
This motherfucker say my bad sound from the Bronx. You know him as a bad sound from the Bronx? Who don't know him as a bad sound from the Bronx? Bad sound where? Which part? Let me tell you this.
When I know my service for Black Emperor Sound, that's what my kid.
Let me tell you this.
No, not nice enough. You hear that, father? And I said, Dada, 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 Dada.
Tell them now.
Emperor Sound say they're bad from which part? Tell a pussy we no run deep dog. Like Chinese wire so the clip tall. Shove it up and make a fall from this Black Emperor.
You a real transmission sound.
So you this
bad mind at that too.
And we know walk up a kilo, we know.
My niggas is straight like 12 o'clock.
Tell you keep
my Brooklyn people straight like 12 o'clock. If you know you're straight right about now, 2-1 in the year right about now, everybody.
Emperor Sound. Because the one them call Mikey Dan, you don't know Peter, Fire and Ice.
I saw you juggle.
Yeah, you hear me?
Where my Brooklyn niggas there?
My crew, my dogs, big rules, great laws. We represent from Black Emperor Sound. I tell alone I feel up me arm.
Time.
Hey, from them a drinking a chichi man. Black Emperor. Yeah. Well, so we go so then. Do you see what I say? Niggas really doing that. Not for them a freak and I carry on them dirty act dog. Wanna be so for them a lick it back.
Let me go digging at the box right about now. Urkel, big up yourself. One of the pioneers in the song. I know you love this tune right here I'm about to play. Big up my whole Black Emperor family inside the building right now. Watch how we are go bust up the place. Anthem time, Brooklyn, New York.
Black Emperor, this one is the Batman anthem for life. Yeah, I dedicate this one to Black Emperor Soldier Feather. Yeah, I gotta say, you miss a friend, turn the lights in the fucking.
R.I.P. Peter!
The brother or sister.
Dandana!
You miss a friend, motherfucking niggas, teeth for weed. And come around and trying to laugh up with Badman in her fucking face. Tell them, Badman a Badman. And we no Rodman, no, Badman no free.
From you can defend yourself anyway you go right about now, go on.
Black Emperor not support gay, you mad. Same way soldier them stay, yeah. Badman no play.
FT, remember when we used to bust this tune?
Okay. Anytime you buck up in a real bad man, just hold your faith, give Black Emperor some way.
Tell them!
Feather gun tall up to the sky. Some boy talking about my dry. Sure you can take it, yeah. Soldier give him a facelift.
Him said, he said he's the baby. I'm the big sound. Let me tell you this.
Sure you can take it, yeah. Emperor give him a facelift.
Let me tell you something.
Doing the big for price. Black Emperor. Hey. What are them?
Who's here?
Black Emperor.
Are you saying you the baby sound? Me a big sound. Anywhere me I go, I have confidence. Pussy one, let me tell you this.
Black Emperor. So play your size. So why play your size? Cause if you ever challenge
a baby sound that.
Hey boy, pay no one. Man who no listen to the Dan. Original dance she got. Black Emperor tell them pussy yourself. Me say that them a baby a road. Jet black Emperor but free with your road. Gun Emperor fire tools. Hey yo, share it. Motherfucking niggas should hear it, get scary. Hey yo, you love one time. You know it's fun to in the landside kill him too. You know when Black Emperor comes through.
Pussy wall a go dead with them a gawking men. Black Emperor kill, but them a take statement. Pussy wall dead with bagawking men. Better them come for kill and them a.
You thought I was gonna play the bounty, huh? No man, I got something better for you. My last tune. Me mad. Because the man take the dance, come here, and he's trying to cap a plea talking about, I'm the baby son and you're the big son. Why you pussy or what you doing here?
I understand this track. Emperor. Emperor. Emperor.
Everybody jump!
Emperor. Emperor. Them get him mad.
Batman song.
What's gonna say about Black Emperor song for the second round? All right. Well, video man, shine a light real quick. Let's judge this real quick. That was the conclusion of the second round. We're gonna see who has won the second round. With a show of hands, 2 hands in the air. All who said Tribe Star has won the second round, put 2 hands in the air. Let me see what go on. Everybody look around. Take them down. If you say Black's Emperor has won the second round, put your 2 hands in the air. Okay. Well, we can't see it clear. Black Emperor has won that round as well. So now it is 2-0. Tribe Star. You know the thing go. Once again, big up to everybody inside of the place. Big up to the Lion Roar family. FT, big up yourself. Biggest Jets fan and them can't win a game. Big up yourself, bro. It's all good. Speedy! Speedy's inside of the place. Do you remember the big war? November 1st. Speedy in concert. Look out for it. It's going to be mad. Dance is going to be nice. No early warm and no host. Yeah. Big up to everybody inside. You ready? Press the sound effect. Let me hear what going. No.
Word. But it's Tribe Star, right. Motherfucking niggas, you know.
All right. For the third round, 15 minutes. The Tribe Star. Ready for action.
All right, Brooklyn, nothing wrong. Remember, I know them say the race is not for the swift. Go on, big up yourself. Huckle up yourself. Him say, when me say, remember me telling you, me just asked me had a little song coming over, them did I go try that thing there. But them say them want some big song in the morning, and them want to play some hardcore. Nothing wrong. Make we kick it off like this.
Tribe Star song with a man like Da Vinci, Lenny, Hanson, Luke, Juvenile, Howard. So we say big up round of Burnside and 183rd, Jerome, Mount Eden, Fordham Road, Cedar Park, Cedric Avenue, Roberto Clemente State Park, Walton, Creston, Webster. Now all 664 crew just go and big up on yourself. I'll say them not look.
Brooklyn, make we going on the morning now.
Sarah crew, gear fit tear up. 1 shot, 1 kill, take no prisoners, cost too much to feed.
The dance done, pussy.
Now I don't have to dream about the Tribe Star of murder sounds. I just sung Uncle Reed about.
You think so? Sorry, did I go?
Out of town because I definitely know and it's clear to me. Tribe Star makes me understand.
Look how much chat on the iPod. Big up your fans, them not no wrong, but pussy.
To be your fan, guys, you told me what you wanted and I gave you what you need.
Them say a big song them want in the morning, don't.
Some murder clash. Tribe star.
Hole, you think say it just did I go so easy pussy hole. You see after the round here, you know where you go call me.
Sound killer. See, kill them already, we gon' kill them again. Murder them already, we gon' murder them again.
Brooklyn, him think to him when 2 little round him I get way. Hear the pussy now. Play one little shabba and I talk about, oh, big song, bumbo hole. You think you alone can play a shabba and the wrong shabba you play. Wrong shabba you play, boy.
Sound and respect. Don't shut them again. And son, those are, tell them say, with the nurse and the big one of the bound, so I want to powder. Tribe star sound, them a real jump and kill and murder. We no nurse in a bed, we no jabba, so that we no powder.
Me say him think to him when 2 round it done, tell him.
About ya, some liquor jump and what is the matter with them? Play 1 and 2 dub, tonight them life a go in nothing, no IT, flate.
I talk about Batman sound, pussy me tell you this a gunman sound.
Bronx, Manchester, Burnside, 183rd Street, 664, CLM North.
You talk about Batman sound, pussy.
Tribe star, what we do? Pile up all of the gun them up. Keep them shine and crisp. A copper shot where we carry in our gun. Make a boy turn purple anytime him get it. Lord, shoot to kill and we don't shoot and miss. Boots I
you come and chat, pussy. When we shoot people, we not shoot them in a foot, we not shoot in a hand, bumbo hole.
Crusher, your ranks, South Bronx, Lenny, Burnside, 183rd Street. Everywhere. But I know a man called Mr. Alta Skelter. Some pussy will for know. Tribe star, bust it in a your blood clot for it. Left your brain a blacker like porridge. Rifle shot we use, get pussy brain damage. Da Vinci fire gunshot we no trace. Hold that headshot in a your blood clot for it. Blood run out of your nose, thick like molasses then. Pussy blood between palm and...
Me don't know who this boy think if I ramp with him come in here and make some little loose speech. Talk about some little ray and gun talk. Bumbo hole, remember me tell you this. Wrong sound you chat to when you do them thing them. I gotta ask you again.
Badman sound, some boy if you know that. Now.
You talk about who no see your gun can't talk. Pussy.
So now go give them problem. Anyway. Have you ever seen a 45 before? Does a man ever get murdered front of your door? Tribe star them would a ball. Say no murder me son boy them would a ball. Bloodshed no pretty if tribe star. Him hold you when time him red. And this side tonight him a go make your marrow spread. You would a ball. Say no murder me. Yeah, you would a ball. Bloodshed no pretty if tribe star. Him hold you at the wrong time. And this side him a go take you on the chain line.
Dash. Him say me a play some jiggy like me a radio station. Well, every song have some rhythm where them like to play. This is one of them where me like to play. And this is another jiggy rhythm. Pussy hole when we are talking about song. Make we go over UK now.
Yeah, Bronx, kick it off like a ball, you know when I style. Mad and mean. And a worries, son why you catch up in a worries. Taste Tribe Star and you buck up in a worries, Tribe Star sound, real sound, anyway. Tribe Star, beg your bill a box. Son why violate,
but we catch them in a day.
Chops from the last down to the boss, I feel I don't in a that. Them taste Tribe Star, them a figure a
me say you see how him a hype up, through him win the first 2 rounds. It's not gonna go just like that. Why do you win the first 2 rounds? You think say everything alright?
Keep the fire.
Brooklyn, we can't ask him.
You think them sin no blood on it? You think them start bust no cold sweat? Yeah, so now go dead in this fling.
Brooklyn, ask him.
Till Tribe Star sound the trumpet. You think them sin no blood on it? So not dead yet. You think them start bust no cold sweat? Yeah, so now go dead in this fling. Them a make the race. Till Tribe Star sound the trumpet. Hey, watch you now.
Hey boy, look in I dance and ask yourself, blood clot this.
Them a go dead, post the wall, them a go dead. Them a go dead, them a
look in I dance and ask yourself this.
All them a go dead. Sang dang digga digga dang dang digga digga dang. Yeah. How do you feel if you step in on the dance and you saw Tribe Star with a big Mac level at your jaw? You feel like you want to disappear but you can't, because a Tribe Star and you now walk with the law. Tribe Star we shut your face straw.
Boy, me tell you so when we play a song and we voice song and put punk rhythm, we no follow sound. We no play this here regular like how you a play. Boy, listen music.
Big up the water white all for we play that. You don't know the thing start up.
Roll it! Brooklyn, listen now on ya. Lend me your musical ears and listen.
Hey, Scrooge. Tribe Star we ready, all the guns them steady. We're killing sounds at lightning speed, yes. Roll a spliff and sip some Henny, and listen why Tribe Star kill them with this Freddy, yeah. Sound why dead in at the dance hall, and we don't want no commotion. Tribe Star just kill another sound why. Ribbidi bang bang day. Star, them don't know the boy can.
Yeah, talk about big up all of the ganja man, and from night me not see this pussy bun one split. All of the real ganja man, them know.
Well, sometimes the things you need in life may be difficult. Not all the time it's gonna be easy. A Tribe Star says smoke the marijuana and get high. Stay above the wickeds and fly. I'm feeling so very good about myself. Tribe Star, they are so
everything alright. Him things said through him when them round the minute I go get shaky and nervous and pop down. Pussy, remember me tell you this. Big up the Rasta man in our place. Me couldn't dare and not play the artist you film.
Original cockatoo. Woy-yoy, 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 woy-yoy.
That kill that.
All who read cockatoo gone on in our ear.
Tribe Star. Hey, Mr. Undertaker, build them at coffin. Whoa. No, my mistake. Make them two. Oh Lord now. Say one to them selector, one to them owner. Lordy, lordy. Can't they see that Tribe Star has taken over?
Brooklyn, him feel like a some kind of easy walkover. But him not really know what kind of sound him buck up in a owner better tell him.
Hey yo, so Mr. Bronx, I want to big father for them come down from Bronx. King!
You know where I'm find out?
Some boy take wing man. Papa! If I know who them run come this, I chat about them 9 welcome and Chris. Tribe Star with the feeling sound.
Man a bad, man a bad, man sound.
So fucking cold, 183rd, 664. Hey yo!
Boy, you think say dance done?
Burnside.
You play some bounty and think the dance done. Brooklyn!
Well, when gunshots start beat like rock and roll, me flat on me belly with me clock and ball. M16 clap, boy heartbeat stop. It spin like when a ball butter bowl.
As some coward. How I do them?
You talk about any city. Pussy member, shallow grave, you get in here.
I'ma tell them this. Send them on them dead true. Kill them like dogs and junk food. Oh, them dead true. We kill them like pigs and crow. Again.
Send them on them
dead true. Kill them like dogs and junk food. Oh,
somebody tell me where the nearest graveyard there from here, so cause that's so him a go.
White House.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Kill them Tribe Star sound. Listen, unto the graveyard they go. Tribe Star kill them right now. Rastafari bruising race. Down until the blessings flow.
Dash. You hear from night, him come in and talk about, from him make the video for the dance, him dep on this transmission star. Uno say this brother have a batty mentality. Me don't know him from nowhere, no, but from when we get to find out him have a batty mentality. All of the people that my bun batty man, bunch gunshot in our ear, no.
So we don't care where them come from. Them this Tribe Star and them we gonna turn pan. Every day Tribe Star sound and international sound of people. I'm gonna say watch Da Vinci with them I deal with them, I'm gonna sell them, I'm gonna salute.
Brooklyn, make we burn him up in this blood clot watch out now.
I'm gonna say watch on a juvenile, I'm gonna Westmoreland, on a place, see them, I'm gonna deal with. When you rifle him, them, I'm gonna deal with them, I'm gonna Burnside, I'm gonna deal with King of Fire. Read them up. Sound and got dead. Friend we no bed.
You come in here and talk about transmission star. Why?
Burning you. Burning you. Tribe Star Rafi go bun them.
Brooklyn, what we are doing?
But no, Tribe Star will never stop. Just
always keep the fire burning. And I will never.
Burnside.
Who want the old dance? Help me sing the one, yeah.
64. Soldier.
The old dance.
Not. Tribe Star. Tribe Star. When we are born, party boy, we not do it and say sorry. Be a pass whole news, them sound they a carry. No once you will reaching at the big grand finale. Tell Fussy Priest and Larry. Tribe Star.
I'm a Tribe Star from 183rd Street, Mr. Burnside.
You boy and your body mentality, you fit dead.
Tribe Star.
Me say that I'm not take my blood clot chat.
We don't
pussy.
Kill sound. Well, Tribe Star don't apologize to nobody, boy. If you this Tribe Star, we judgment the boy. Give me the one of the girl because of them have up the joy. You know the lake of fire with that shit.
Me don't know who in my tribe. Me don't know who for sound this brother tribe body up. You see that sound, I'm gonna tell you about we.
And Burnside, motherfucking nigga.
Whether it be Montserrat, UK, Jamaica, or yes, or New York, pussy.
Do them South Bronx, 183rd, you got my word. See them me sing, say, man a bad man, so we no friend fish. You a Teflon bullet, me take killing fish. Hey, yo, me speak me mind clear, me no pretend fish. Them a
dash. I want me say me about 30 seconds, don't. One, no. Yeah, I'm a good man. 1 minute. Me not feel bother. He is nothing, you know. All right. Yeah, so we there. Cause the pussy a chat off his mouth like him as some kind of bad man. But me don't know him from nowhere as no bad man. Brooklyn, make we ask him.
Yeah, me say want some pussy all and I call them know the thing go. Murder a blood clot sound, killing instinct thing. Yeah. Anyway. Murder so.
Brooklyn, I see that boy there.
This some sound attack. Them not do it when Tribe Star rocking the road. Them pussy they did asleep, but them shut up the tree. With police, me sound, I feel back so in teeth.
Him no bad, him just out.
Push him out, that's why me sound push him out.
Plenty, the whole of London, up me Brixton, please.
Brooklyn, I see him a run up, and a chat off him mouth.
Them charcoal get white out.
You see how him a run up?
Alright, shot. Pussy walla where you feel. Think your chest line wet still. Tribe Star sound we come share up your meal. So you deal. We find out you a pussy will be real. Run can go station go spiel.
Me hear the top chat.
Pussy them no response to that. Don't say you must come try defend that.
The chat.
Oh you want the whole place a lock. Anything will lock we pull.
Why let me tell you?
Pussy well you know say peace Tribe Star. I say war suck your mother. Anything.
They don't know someone who got gold money.
This I last one, Brooklyn.
Can't see them man left and right.
But me don't know what kind of sound him feel with me. Pussy, let me remind you.
Have mercy. When don't play boss and we gon' share off a wall. Test Tribe Star, your woman going ball. We come on no easy at all. Move them make Tribe Star, ram dance Tribe Star. And we are got sound life on them.
Hold on there.
When some sound and see you up and show loud and do with a Uzi. And you protect sound life on them.
Would you tell him something before me cut?
No respect, disrespect.
What's to say about the Tribe Star? For the third round. Oh, good. Yeah. We're going to keep it moving, you know the thing go. 15 minutes, quick and fast. This is the Black Emperor, 15 minutes for the third round. Ready?
Hold on there now. Brooklyn. I think the Warrior did go tough, you know, but the Warrior soft. Mikey, it look like we're not even off a play. Big up Venom. Trust me, the sound I kick, me love it. You understand? Machine I play good. Kingpin. Well, I'm about to say it, but Big up, King of these. World Sound. Promoter. Next time you send a bigger sound here. Because Tribe Star, they don't never play, but a Tri-Star me a hear. I don't know what Uno a hear, you know. And some remix and some things, see? I don't know if you not listen. Brother, when you send the money to Jamaica, careful. A whole heap of scammer down there. Come here, you play some mosquito, you know. And some massacre. But everything good still. I realize that you and him have a thing for second. So I'm not going to really come into the war. I just hope, all right, make some tune.
Easy fire ice. But what I know, people, don't be mad at him. Don't be mad. He's just trying. Nothing wrong with trying. But the problem is, he did not do his research about the sound. So he thought it was going to be an easy walkover. That's why him alone forward could play. And it's like 15. It's like 15 of them. Hear him? UK, Antigua, Master. Brethren, do your research. I teach you right about now. But since you underestimated Black Emperor, Brooklyn, make me tell him something.
Yo, Black Emperor, the war teacher, kick it like a ball. You see the fussy, them a profile wicked. Them say them a gangster, me no business. When Mikey done pop off, and the pussy them seed said them a go die. The boy them always start to cry. Black Emperor,
Brooklyn, what we tell them?
Like a tsunami, I wear the like this.
Laughing and talking, bad man thing, bad man sound and boy no here. Loud evil.
He never expect this.
Boy, have it over set that dog. Black Emperor. Tell them. Hold up on the trigger in a pussy head it empty. Laughing and talking, bad man thing, bad man sound and boy no here. Loud evil. Boy, have it over set that dog. Black Emperor. Tell them. Hold up on the trigger in a pussy head it empty. Then I put in a clip where you're 20.
Fire ice. Fire ice. It's third round, man. You know what we do in third round. Play. Forward.
Now that was a misconception. Here come the proper intention, and this one is no illusion. As we fling it down in a silent fashion. Out of mercy, well done, easy. Black Emperor, you look in the mirror, you see there's no error. Hey, watch this man. Feather, slaughter, trigger, you know, so we're kill a nigga.
Big tune, right?
You see right, you know. The murder some dog.
Brooklyn!
Okay, shine it. I found out what I've been missing always.
Wait up!
Brothers and sisters, good day now. How you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Black Emperor alongside Shine, as I would say. Youngster Lee and the crew, you know. Yeah, Millennium Team. Real key from a record machine, as I would really tell you. Wow, I tell you. People, are you ready? See you. Oh, Lord.
Tell them!
Sometimes it's hard. Emperor takes it.
Hold on! People, him play this rhythm earlier and I'm play some fuck great tune. Put the rhythm. Big man, you see rhythm like them, yeah? Them vintage rhythm, yeah?
Yeah, man, Black Emperor.
You play that this time. Tune.
You know me?
Yeah, man, Black Emperor, man. I with you, man. Rough every time, man. Predator and them youth, them, man. Them youth, they're solid, man. See? I have no fear.
This is the time you play them. New York!
Black Emperor, no fear, no sound, no, we no fear.
Selector!
Conquering on the travel through that. But he's a feather chicken. This booby. Emperor, you make a sudden attack, so I can react. Then I know those to try counteract. Emperor, make a sudden
level.
Attack, so I can react.
Big man, it's alright. You lose today, you live to see tomorrow. Fire ice, play!
Black Emperor, you rule dance all.
Oh God,
big tune!
Go into Black Emperor in the dance hall.
Make me kill him now. Fire ice, kill him!
Black Emperor.
Make me go down one studio. Make me go down one studio now.
It's today, maybe for you, and tomorrow maybe for me. I said who had keepeth his mouth shall surely keep it his sound in this time.
Give me tune, Fire Eyes, give me tune.
You ain't what Black Emperor gonna play for you. Sound boy, I know what sound boy is. A jumping sound. A jumping sound is he. Black Emperor killed him sound and he broke his crown. Now he's dying to see. So don't
me hear you play the son earlier. Here's the father. Tune up again.
What? Hey.
It's the Black Emperor.
I'm just a sound. I'm just a sound. Black Emperor is the sound. Kill another sound.
Your Fire Eyes, don't waste no time, man. Kill him right about now.
I said we kill them already. We'll kill them again. Black Emperor no beg no friend. Black Emperor got the handle sound boys. You've got to play. Don't
we love play it again. Play next tune.
Black Emperor, you look like shining always.
Pull up. Let me play some tune and beat them in blood clot, yo. Third rounds. You see third round? You're supposed to play some tunes like them, yeah. Tune.
Respect to you, Black Emperor. Respect every time.
A tune like them that you're supposed to play.
The vibes are treat me fine. Yeah, man, respect man like Feather Slaughter Trigger. Share it.
Right off the plate! Right off the plate!
Wait a minute.
Easy shot, man. All my New Jersey people.
Tell me what can you do to stop your sound from dying?
Please, Baba, to Nelly out, David. Around.
You know what my grandmother tell me?
Yes. They say we're gone by the morning, boy. Can't come good in the evening.
Tune up!
Do you remember saying I run things? We come to murder sound tonight. Black Emperor sound. Hey. In a terrible form, we're gonna murder you. Emperor, take your life too.
Let's dash with some tune right about now.
A murderer, Black Emperor, girls them thriller, no sound in this world can kill Black Emperor. Oh no, and I've got to find.
Your Fire Eyes, give me the next tune right about now.
Man called Glen Washington, straight out of Clarendon, run things. Black Emperor.
A sound is in sorrow, a sound is in pain. Some little sound boy don't know no shame. Now the massive they shouting out Black Emperor's name.
New York!
On and on we go. Where we'll end up, no one knows, but it feels right. Black Emperor's gonna kill another sound tonight. Make us stand, Black Emperor, on bow. We love you now, and that's no doubt. It feels right.
Fire Eyes, give me the next tune right about now. Yeah, man.
Run it, my selector. Original thing. Now hear this. Kick it. Oh, I tell you. Black Empire are the #1 sound. I kinda can't say so. Lord have mercy, boy. Tonight Black Empire is playing. A sound boy will lock off. Cause when Empire stop playing, a sound boy start show up.
Yeah, tune!
Well, I hear some look up. Hey, I hear feature. Singing melody. Sure. Black Empire. First thing early, dance all night. Black Emperor pack some sound away. Cha. Ooh, yeah. We got no cause to look back. Black Emperor looking for a better day. We're looking for a better day.
Hey, yo, transmission!
You say nothing about sound. Black Emperor turn them in a clown.
We love that. Tune up again.
Sorry, son, boy. I'm so sorry for you. You this the emperor will show you now. That emperor of them a dangerous sound. So much more they have in store for you. Cause if you ever feel bad,
easy. I dash you some tune, man. People, I'm giving you music for your money. I want this one to go tune for tune. Cause if me lock him off right now, I'm going home. I'm not playing, juggling.
So the wicked man will have to fall. Rise, just rise and make money and fall. Aye.
Yeah!
I said the wicked man will have to fall. All the righteous man will have to stand tall. The wrong man them got call. I know them back against the wall.
We no play no buju from now. You want to hear some buju? Some classic?
They do not know how we make it through the day. Not an easy road. Tough here the dogs them where we jungle. I feel a better road with a bam bam bam. Who feel them knows? Why? Cover leg boy out of them. Pull up.
Make it general. Fast. Blessed. Bless. Ransom. Well, yeah. Sing on.
2 Grammy artists right about now.
Buzz up, we are buzz up our soundboy. Black Emperor, black on the street. I fight against our wicked, we are conqueror. The freedom of our justice and peace, yeah. Buzz up, we are buzz up our soundboy. Black Emperor set all captives free. I fight against our wicked, we are conqueror. Emperor, play another punchline.
Give me the next tune.
But song here. You better play what you playing and do what you doing. Black Emperor gonna dance his own. That's why we sing, play what you're playing and do what you're doing. Black Emperor sound have something, sound boy. Enough dollars can buy you. Black Emperor, Black Emperor, oh yeah. That is the sound of mine.
Let me play some tune.
Every sound have a right to decide their own destiny. Black Emperor sing, but in this judgment there is no partiality. Anthony B said, cut and clear, cause Black Emperor is here, run that it's all about. Remember, oh yo go yo, Emperor Selassie I, Chacha is the only way. Chacha is the only way.
You see sound like them?
No sound wanna plan the con. Every sound want ready ban. Who you a go blame it on when a Black Emperor them a the
Yo, fire ice tune.
It's over time to play Black Emperor and Canton Ulti about it. Oh, what a shame. It's over time to play Black Emperor and Canton Ulti about it. Personal gain. It's over time to play Black Emperor.
Let me play a big tune right about now. Are you ready for a big tune?
Yeah. Black Emperor come again. Yeah. Oh Lord.
You see me?
He's a lucky thing, Emperor never gets red-headed.
Never.
He's a lucky thing, Emperor never red-headed. And started to run, Emperor will never run away. Do you hear?
Hold on now. Give me a next tune, man.
Black Emperor gonna kill ya.
Let's dash with some tune.
Dead sound boy in the corner there, so.
Let's dash with some
Emperor
tune.
gonna kill ya. Pull it. Boy, Lord of mercy. We don't have no mercy for no sound.
Play anything for your eyes.
Strange things are gone.
in the dance tonight. Another sound bite the dust. In the dance tonight. Black Emperor gonna kill your sound. In the dance tonight. Black Emperor gonna throw you down and murder your sound. That's why I say,
yo people, I swear. Oh, I understand this. All right. Mikey, I beg female, you know. Mikey, all right, everything good. Come, Mikey, come. Mr. So you don't want to lock him off. Big up yourself. Don't lock him off then. All right.
You want to lock him off? Me don't want to go home yet, man. I don't want to go see the people I boo. Nah, man. Me not shortchange the people. Me not shortchange the people.
Black Emperor number one.
You know what I try to
I heard you said to me, you wanna be the.
No, that's what.
What you gonna say about Black Emperor for the third round? All right. When you can't turn on the lights, let me read out 2 flyers real quick before we do the judgment. Do you remember Yared versus the King Shine, November 15th? You don't want to miss that. That's going to be a crazy thing called the Border War. It's going to be mad. Look out for it as well, November 22nd. Thing called the Guyanese Cup Clash. Big up all my Guyanese people inside the place. You don't know it's going to be mad. Do you remember November 1st? All my Guyanese people, you can catch me playing at Sonic Reunion. It is going to be mad as well. Do you remember also December 6th? Bad Sound. Look out for it. It's going to be mad as well. Holy Sound. Make sure you come out to these events. All right. We're going to judge the third round and see what go on. All who set in the third round, Tribe Star played the best. Put your 2 hands in the air. I want y'all in the front here to look around there so nobody don't tell me no fucker here. Y'all look around there. All right, good. Take them down. All who say Black Emperor played the best in the third round, put your 2 hands in the air. We going with Tribe Star with that one there, man. Yeah, Tribe Star. No. This is where Sound Clash could be a motherfucker. All right? Do you remember look out for Death Before Dawn? That's going down next year, February 7th. You do not want to miss it. The Real Steel Zone versus the Real Zone Reloaded. Look out for it. So this round right here now is going to be 15 minutes. Once again, 15 minutes for the Tribe Star. Y'all know how it goes. The time starts when your tune play. All right, you ready? Quick, fast. People rock to the bar and buy something to drink. You know the thing go. I'll show you how it's done. Timer 15. I saw it go. Ready?
Hey. Me hear somebody say it. Song done. You know what say him pop down at him fans them. We're not gonna fight that, but him just pop down. I hear him. Me did I go run and ball for help. Who run and ball for help and fuck up? I hear him like a Batman friend out. Me know you want it hard. You wanna hear him, right? Listen, it was at this moment when he realized he just fucked up.
Gokoti. You kill them now. Whoa, you kill them now.
You
fucked up. Tribe Star, you kill them now. Kokokoti sing glory, glory, hallelujah. Sound boy get mashed down in ya. Read it in the star and in the greener. In the New York Times newspaper. Kill them.
Oh no, want me tell him why the bumbo clot him lose the round there.
Roll on trap star, roll on gas. Oh na na, oh na yes. Oh na na, oh. Hear a song got cry right now. Yes, check. Some guy you're crying too early now. Yes.
Bossy, you know why you lose the round.
You did not play what you're supposed to play. Running off your face, didn't know you'll sound.
Oh! You, Mr. Pussy Wall, just fucked up. You want to talk to me about Barris, my favorite singer in the world? People, him think when we lose the first 2 rounds, I'm gonna give up.
I'm so glad, Trap Star, I'm so glad. Glad I listened to your sound. Glad I never turned you down. I listened to you all these years, seeing you hold your head up high, always willing to kill a sound. The middle fellows around, they never paid you no mind. But how could they not think twice?
In another round here, you know what me I gonna do?
But I could tell from the start, you had killing in your heart, and you wanted some.
Me I take time and beat the life out of you.
Yeah, you just needed the chance
to show I could rule the dance.
Now the table is turned, promoters running you down. Tribe Star, kill them.
Guru, One Nation, you know, I'm the nation boss, yeah. I represent Tribe Star Sound.
You think so you didn't see him?
No, yo tell them Tribe Star Sound when them say we are so looking like we last year. When the last we just are looking at with that and pray for killer sound boy as him attack. Knock like so perfect them sound they all lock off long before the COVID thing then off sound I wear a mask, yeah. Watch them keenly as them try.
Hey boy, you can pack up and go your blood clot yard from now. Lady Kaya, who are your blood clot artists?
But for spray. 1 year to turn, I want to them brain fly like bird to tell them land and happening. Yeah man. So Bronx, take them life and tell them thanks.
Me could teach the boy about sound war.
Right, what them feel like?
Me telling you from early the race is not for the swift, but who can bumbo clot endure it? Pussy!
No take me advice, me brethren. Cause Sound Clash killing and a fun thing. And Tribe Star we no laugh, we no grin, you know we serious. Tribe Star, them finna a killing from a drive up in the old white car. Da Vinci, big up yourself.
Yo, nobody even line up no round pussy, just start look for your dub song them from now.
Look.
Cause the round you're gone.
Right, and not for fluke. Bronx, UK, we don't play with the AK, them finna we come out for spray. 1 year to turn, I want to them brain fly like bird to tell them land and happening.
Bronx!
Yeah man.
Bronx!
So Bronx.
Brooklyn, the whole of bumbo clot, New York!
Right. Them heads split up.
This pussy come in here talk about Brooklyn. It's New York versus New Haven. A Connecticut if a pussy clot represent.
Take me advice, me brethren. Cause Sound Clash killing and a fun thing. And Tribe Star we no laugh, we no grin, you know we serious. When we deal in a sound thing, make up we mind fi bun boys kill me brethren. Gunshot living on a bed of rose, no business.
Hold on there. Me hear you play some bounty. Hey, hey. You think say the dance is done? But what the Luciano say? We're gone by the morning, can't come good in the evening. Pussy, will you see a morning?
Mercy. Hey yo, I got a bigger man from Burnside, man from 183rd 6.
You see a morning?
Can you know, say it.
You see a morning?
Me sing. No, you're dead, your mother ball. Tribe Star name you call loose argument.
Pussy, you see forward. You get no forward big stuff from night.
You get fucked up. You admit say you fucked up. It's all right. You're a good sport.
Yo. None of mercy. Hey, yo. I got a bigger man from Burnside. Man from 183rd, 664. Motherfucker, niggas, you know, Salem, North, next door. Me sing, no, you're dead, your mother ball. Tribe star name you call loose argument Peter. Long story ball. See me gun and pause up like our hall. Did you knock on the powder?
You boy, big sound.
Big or small, coulda long or tall. Tribe star, you go this then and your head a go fall. And your mother we cry, and your daddy we ball. We not.
Fuck lad, I don't even want to hear that again. Hey. Yeah, say so. Pick up the laptop, go over there, so line up your liquor round and keep your bumbo clout mode quiet.
Yeah.
Paradox are your artist. You know, like how him fuck up, you know what?
And then you know. Tramp stars, I'm gonna kill them sound again. And you
pussy clad.
If them test the tribe star sound, them are gonna. We pull them up, ballet.
Brooklyn. Brooklyn. What a day when the tables turn.
We will kill your little drum band.
Right
tribe
now.
Star will make you sick. We kill them again.
Cause I ain't never seen this before. Seen this before. Seen this before. Never see so many people beat them dancers. Become me. Try star, I bring your body see. Try star, them come me make them busy.
You, Mr. Chatting out boy. Me tell you earlier, I know. Do not on your motherfucking life run no bounty killer joke with me.
Motherfucking niggas, you know one time award. Hey yo, the man called Luke, Starboy Blacks, Crusher, Shane, Bronx, Burnside 183rd.
You know why he's dead?
Missing, Grass Valley, war, and all type of thing this guy preaching. Couple shot reach him, and him dead. There is nobody in this world to accept him. Stripes are them kill him, and them say, gunshot a back and a me boys can. Stripes are, oh, wonder if one day that some son boy you'd say that him want a war. Me up the 45 or still and
how much time you have Kingpin? Me never set me time. Me just focus on kill him. Huh? What? You ain't have problems, you know? People me telling you that pussy they did a run out a song. And it sound like him run out a song. No. Alright. You did a chat off your mouth. Hold on, man. Go on, easy. Easy. So you know, easy. You did a chat off your bumbo cloud mouth. Me telling the people when me say me a baby sound, and we come me know him did I go say it. I was just but me I go. You want me telling about me sound now?
You are playing with a serious sound, yes. Tribe Star sound with
you think I did joke sound, boy?
Tribe Star so serious, cantankerous and dangerous, yes. He's only in the Father, let me put his trust. Tribe Star is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous.
Me say, him play like around and hype up, swear say the dance done. But what a day when the tables are turned, you know what me doing in the morning? Me telling you something, did I run out of song? No.
Talk about doors, talk about sons. Tribe Star and murder sound boy forevermore. We run the world, sunrise every gun.
Out this planet.
Leave me when we play this sound boy, your skull get bored. You don't understand. Oh no,
Tribe Star.
The machine.
Hey boy, you see when you did play your last round, I'm stand up, run this a bonus split for drink with Guinness. One girl reached to me and she said, when time you go up there and start play, tell the pussy that this for me.
Tribe Star sound. Real sound.
You know what she's going to tell you?
Tribe Star tell them I don't like the way they're playing. Because the way they're playing is sickening. Them fight the youths and them out of their juggling. They Carlos lazy
Brooklyn!
Sound Clash again. Tribe Star sound just kill a sound again. Fire for them wicked, fire for them Eden.
Brooklyn, me telling you say, we not build with sound like how everybody else build them sound. We try build it a little different. You see him play the whole of King Addies Billie Jean rhythm and only big up Addies when him play the bounty. Yeah, and me bad mind. Eh? Pussy.
Tribe Star. Don't be no box, Tribe Star.
Listen song where we put a road.
Tribe Star.
Yeah, tell him.
Tribe Star. Preaching at the sun and the star for them. Tribe Star double load in a box, bang bang pan them. We put it on anything we bend. We put it on a jump on. Cause I check them a send. Oh, so from you know them son boy can't test. Tribe Star say no way yo. No way yo, no. No way yo, no.
Me only have about a little bit of time. So, I'm telling you people. Me good. But me dey up a rough Sundays. What they are Bronx, right? Me walk in and me Tribe Star apparel. Them say, big up Tribe Star. When me look at this pussy, me see I go through the gate. And he really have the heart to come to Brooklyn and chat like him some kind of bad man. You see that boy there?
Answer your star boy. Fortune, I wish I be them like broad boy, some boy soft like cardboard. Loud evil, proud eagle. Bum buckler do some boy. Yo, Tribe Star, tell them say, them coward like dog. Boy, you never yet get a charge. Tribe Star say, oh you bad. We a ask them, oh you bad. Them uncle bad female car, female phone car. Why?
Brooklyn, tell him.
Oh no.
You see that sound, yeah?
Yo, Tribe Star, tell them say, hey, banga man.
Welcome to the Med Buster. Tribe Star.
You come in here and talk about you play Brooklyn song.
Med Buster pan town.
Me I go make the wall down tell you something.
Tell them, well, in team before me not talk, we not laugh. Enough time Tribe Star, make her start. Big 45 pop up, no pussy can talk. And them, gun in a hand, we not talk, we not play. Shot you, come you night, come DJ. Why they get gunshot? So me friend Lenny say, that's why the whole dance fall. Boy, your pussy like down the drain. Big gun designed to make people feel pain. Boy, sound of the tune you know. Mommy ban a belly and a
You, Mr. Man, we forward in here tell me about the Batman sound. Man, Batman sound. You do not sound convincing. You say you're a bad man sound, but pussy, me have a question for you ask you.
Call those the man called Hands, the man called Hook, the man called Crusher. Gunshot left them a sofa. Westmoreland.
Boy, me have a question for you ask you. Brooklyn.
183rd Street, Burnside. Huh. Said them bad, but me young swing since. Couldn't me them won't convince. Tribe Star pop out the gun faster than how you quit. Blood that run like drinks. Well, from boy for them just them out like a chink. When them a meditate, no wonder when them all a thing. Them bright them.
Alright, no problem.
Or the instinct. Them this Tribe Star when we of the link.
Brooklyn. You never thought it was gonna go this way. You thought it was going to be a lockout. But since you in your little stupid mind thought that pussy.
We're not wrong. Hear me now. Man from the garrison, man from uptown, Valley, Green Bay. Hey, son boy, how will the bumbuckler do you? We and Tribe Star sound come to slaughter you. Out for loss every single part of you. And for we buy with up with 1 liter.
Aye.
What you gonna say about the Tribe Star for the 4th round? Sound Clash, boy. A motherfucker. One. Black Emperor, are you ready? 15 minutes in the 4th round. Your time starts when the tune play.
See it? No, Mikey. I realize so you and the brother they are friend, you know. And I tricky promoter. You understand? I tricky people about that fact. So me I go make a circle on the thing. You understand? Alright, circle on the thing.
Easy fire. I'm going okay that round. Right? I'm going okay. So that means we gotta go tune for tune. See? Don't give up, right? Don't give up. Hold on now. Me nah give up. The box deep. I come here to play some tune for Uno money. Let me go down one studio right about now.
Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy, kill them black emperor.
Tell them!
Lord of mercy, kill them black emperor. Hey. Bad boy a fire in 60.
What?
Policeman a fire AK-47. But black emperor.
Me say I done one studio me I go right about now.
It's so good, so good. Black Emperor killing a sound guy, and a sound can't kill we back, and that's a fact. Yeah man, play Black Emperor sound man. Cherry Feather, Soji, Gambino, Maximum man. Play a tune. My select. This sound a murderer. Black Emperor a murderer. A sound boy killer. Who dash a murder. You shouldn't try test this sound, yeah. No.
Am I talking about Kaya? Kaya! Hear your artist. No. You didn't play the right Spragger. Yeah, Spragger right about now.
Them for know. A murder we a shine time. A boy stepping at the war center, yeah. Here's a man like soldier. Man like Feather. Yeah, hear me? Sure. Well, we know in a long argument, with no guy. We know in a long argument.
I kill me, come for kill right about now.
Emperor, you got to die. We know in a different. Well, girl and cheese girl, come on, boy, can't put the push by your walk, you know.
I'm gonna do you a good favor. I'm gonna give you a good funeral when I kill you tonight.
A boy, you gonna get expensive burial. Them are dead in the place. Don't hear me fast.
Kill me, come for kill him now.
In the place.
Still loud, shout it. Hey yo, you loud. One time. Hey yo, mother.
Talk about bounty joke.
Hey yo.
Pussy one, why you never play this?
Man, well, so no good they done on the world me a tell. Hey, me don't scared me gun. Send one a hell. This Black Emperor in a minute shuffle. Get bullets.
When me see me I go.
Your brain tell well. See me and me gun them and you find me like a bird. You're dead with all your head, they have dirt. Black Emperor in a concern. Hey, me tell a boy, if them bad results better
move your blood clot.
Split up a second, them must get hurt.
You go now.
You're not the middle of one town.
What me say?
No me.
Done one studio.
And it's all dead. Lord of mercy.
Me play back this one too.
Black Emperor crew.
Hey, pussy wall.
Hey, bang better angle bang. What da bang. Hey, bang better angle bang. What da. Black Emperor just kill the sound the far away. You kill it and let the.
What me said? Done one studio.
Night that's right there.
Full sound them son. Oh them a jump and sound man. Oh them a paint pan sound my bedroom boy. Paint pan sound don't try to taste the emperor. Jump and sound don't try to taste you lose your.
You don't have none of them tuning on your back.
Them only bad for certain sound, but emperor.
You're not bad for this sound. That one again.
Wolves in cheap clothing. Oh, you think you were fooling? Wolves in cheap clothing. Them used to fight, them used to fuss. All of a sudden them a get religious. Them used to quarrel, big guns them used to bust. All of a sudden them a talk about Jesus. Wolves in cheap clothing.
He's gonna come up here and say, but you never played the right sluggy, right? Okay, let me play it for you now.
Oh, you for this is majesty. From this the block.
One ENT.
And this is Saturday Gobero. This the emperor. You won't see tomorrow.
You are the dead. Go back to the Bronx.
You don't know.
Go over the bridge. What me I do?
We say, we send another song home. Home. Black Emperor, I send them home. Yeah. We send another song home. Home. Black Emperor, I send them home. Yeah. Hey! One of them coming in the morning. Two of them coming in the evening. Three of them like a god, them deep in the night. Right.
And the pussy what I say, song done. Song done. Song done. Pussy won't listen tune.
In the city of the dance, all live a sound called Black Emperor. Keep on keep.
Sorry, Venom. Sorry.
Boys, everywhere the champion goes. No sound there trying to take.
And you really thought I was gonna give you the round, right?
No sound there to challenge.
Pussy won't. I will die with this sound.
The plates on his hips.
I hear me. It's a musical detrimental. Sound for dead.
We know in a long argument.
What me I do for drum?
Black Emperor keep rinsing, shutting head. No need to ball, no need to beg. Black Emperor no save and lead. Oh Lord, another skull bus. Mother receive another jump and dead. Family and friends wants more fish and bread.
Yo,
somebody call the earth.
What snake again? Fligo, blacks, nigga son. Gunshota, I pussy brain fly. Gunshota. Queen's bad man, put in a gun. Cabra say, gunshot sing down that them head like a capella. This Black Emperor and come style man as fella. Gunshot bust them head fly like
Tribe Star. Win since you win a fucking clash. Anybody know a clash Tribe Star win? I know you are say yes, but him never killed Tribe Star. That was a scrimmage. You don't count scrimmages. You count fucking dance like this.
Queen, Black Emperor, we show them pussy I got there. Queen! You know, so me go ask him something, Mikey. Ask him the boss. Pussy never kill nobody. Don't suck your mother. When do we get everything out of the shot? Suck your mother. Oh, you know shots. Don't watch your father suck your mother. Black Emperor say one shot lead to another. Pussy never kill nobody. Don't suck your mother. When do we get everything out of the shot? Suck your mother. Oh, you know shots. Don't watch your father suck your mother. Peter them say one shot lead to another.
The man says something about bounty killer joke. It made a good speech. You connect. The bounty sound good. But you think the bounty thing done? You think sound done? Pussy won't hear bounty killer.
None of mercy, hey yo, them have a wrong story. Big Cherry, hey yo, feather. None of mercy. As some rotted gun we have opened it. And the same thing them brass sound a say. Well we got the figure murder them anyway. And the same thing priceless driver say. Can't beat us, murder sound ya. We not to jail here. We a gun in a challenge. Well, we sound a confront man as rival. When it stop, when they brave no survival. Them should hear not.
From 9 me no hear no blood clot buju. All who want hear some wicked buju say buju.
But they ain't gonna penny them. And them look a negative war vibe. Mice, go for them thing there.
Accounts them a bust not on the list. Them just expose when them have up them sleep. If you think man woulda make you get away, you coulda pass like breeze with no criminal expertise. Hey, accounts them a bust not on the list. Some just expose when them have up them sleep. You think man woulda make you get away, you coulda pass like breeze with a lot of criminal expertise. When you bust in a jungle, all stick man freeze. One piece of rumble, it cause out the east.
All who say me I lead the round right about now, 200 in the air.
Ring steel. God will let you never go. But that's a little never say. All who love Black Emperor, just put up on her hand. Badang bang bang. All who love Black Emperor, just make me so no hand. Wanna hear me? Killing pussy and we kill them for fun. Killing a sound boy, we kill them for fun. And killing a jumper and we kill them for fun. And killing a drink man, we kill them for fun. And 20 grand Black Emperor kill no one. And jump around and put up your hand. And Junior Cat on the reggae version. And God come first and my gun come second. And done for them and not done for I man. And when we come, yes, the session of the Raman. Sound for dead.
Now, me I go kill him. Wicked. Who said that? Who blood clot said that? The person that said that, you soon get your kill next year, pussy. But yeah, me no real steel, pussy. You soon dead, but wait your time, pussy. Who ready for some big tune? Say big tune. Bombo clot.
Easy Mexican crew.
Bombo clot. Who say song done? Matty boy!
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Look, I heard you planning to attack a new sound boy.
Bomba clap!
I bet you back up in a heart.
And not me say it. I him say him the baby sound since you're the baby sound.
Black Emperor is a champion sound. Black Emperor is the talk of the town. Sound boy, don't put your hat where you can't reach it. It doesn't make no sense.
Really, Black Emperor sound a play. Chupla, 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 chupla. Oh yes. I said to play me and I play. I make we mash them down. Black Emperor sound. I said to give me a dub plate. I make we hammer them down. And when the
that one.
Woogie, woogie, woogie. Black Emperor, you ready? Lord of mercy. Hey, hey. A sound boy is dying in the streets. Yes. If I know Soji, I bet that him do well.
From original artist and original sound system.
Since you're baby sound.
Wicked. William Styler. I don't know the Godfather from dancehall himself. I say this. Hear this.
That one.
No ice cream. No ice cream. No ice cream. No ice cream sound. Sound boy. I don't want no ice cream sound. It is too soft for me. Yeah. I don't want no ice cream sound. It is soft, can't you see? Hey.
Original Black Emperor. Are you run things? This one in a different style. Black Emperor, what's it called? Diagram himself away.
Voila. Song done? Them say the song done. Bombo Claudia tune.
The Reggae Foundation legend, Freddie McGregor.
Hotter. Tired of taking the blame. Might as well murder some boy again. Whoa, whoa, some clash that can be so unfair. I'm a longing to murder sound. Wanna know what you've been playing over the dance hall.
Black Emperor Sunday. We really, really love it now. Black Emperor's #1 champion. That's a pretty. Some boys stop playing hide and seek.
Run, come face the beat, boy.
Some boy no bother try tonight. Black Emperor with die, what a different proposition. Here's no sound like Black Emperor sound that I know.
Combination, Freddie McGregor.
Sound like black.
Glenn Washington, here tune.
Tell them Glenn Washington, I tell them.
Ever since I've been listening to sound, Black Emperor's the sound for me. Now I am grown and I've been all around. Black Emperor's still my sound, you see.
You think I done?
When I'm down and feeling kind of blue, here's what I always do. I listen to Black Emperor.
I'm not even play a tune for the ladies. Ladies, can I play something for you?
No, I listen.
I want a teacher, sing a melody. Hey, Black Emperor murder in some jumping. But I really don't feel like talking on the phone. Black Empire really don't keep men company at all. Cause lately I don't wanna do the stuff some sound boy do. Lately since I found out, because I don't want.
Big up FT, big up Marlon X, big up Fire Ice, big up Urkel, big up Troy Hype. Them guys come from a fucking good school, and that school is a Black Emperor school.
Very young girl.
Hey, pussy boy!
Yeah, when I used to go to school, Black Emperor taught the golden rule. He says so, you better know.
All right, them say last one. Some now blood clot. Yo, tune.
You know. Yes, you know.
Brooklyn!
Now, Black Emperor is the general.
What's gonna say about Black Emperor for the fourth round? All right, so now this is the most interesting part of the clash now. This is what we call tune for tune. So instead of them playing, I gotta explain it for the new people. Instead of them playing the rounds, everybody's gonna play one song each. The best of 11. So that simply means the first person to reach 6 wins the clash. That makes sense? Oh, really? Really? Seriously? She about to bad me up because I ain't judged her round. Regardless of what, it can't be 7. Regardless of what, whether I judge her round or not, we going tune for tune. Because the round state, you have to win 3 in a row or it's a lockout. So we just going to do it to do it. All who said Tribe Star win the round, 2 hands in the air and look around. All right, yo, y'all look down there. Y'all look up here. Take them down. All who said Black Emperor win the round, put your hands in the air. That nigga's faithful, boy. What? I need one of them gal here, boy. Faithful, your fuck. All right. It's 2-2. 2 up. This is what we call tune for tune. We're going to do it real quick. Tribe Star's going to play a song. Black Emperor plays his song. And we judge it. Y'all can take a step closer. Everybody, come on. You can take a step closer. Make the tune for tune nice. All right? Tribe Star.
Hey, hey. What a bamba, yeah. People, me know all way him did I go do last round and not the sluggy them. Because him I go say, be there Brooklyn, so me I go play some sluggy and feel like the sluggy them I go get me through. And when him see the sluggy them now help him try for a D Brown. We know all of that did I go on. Right? All who say him pop down and run out of bumbo clad song 2 in a year. Dub for dub, no pussy. Him thinks that D Brown did I go save him. Warm to the artist, yeah.
Tribe Star, yeah.
Warm around.
This just sound like in a black.
Different start I dance.
There's a sample over there to start the sound clash quick. And him start get.
Hold on there now. I can't fly from so far if you come lose this a bum buckler drop dance here. Mikey and him bum buckler friend. You understand what I say? That play ready, you know. And my last song I played on the third rounds. You know you play one only for splice and feel some bum buckler joke thing. Jump big song!
Mikey Dan, Zimmy, Steve, Peter. I am in, beat them Peter. I am in, I want to them.
Peter, big up yourself!
Yeah, and them should
in a heavy load.
You, trying to live in Dorset.
Watch your bum buckler, son. All those time if you bust the head right now, 200 here, 200 here!
See, Black Emperor, him at the champion sound.
Bum buckler. Mikey, stop joking that.
Quick and fast. All who said Tribe Star win that tune at 200 a year. Everybody look around, look around, look around. Take them down. All who said Black Emperor win 200 a year. Okay. All faithful again. 1-0 Tribe Star.
Pussy. Me tell you so them boy you idiot. Hey, look now. You don't know what me not touch the turntable, right? You see with the brother just walk up to me and say, you know what him tell me, say?
Sound war run when Tribe Star gonna bust. I kill the sound.
When the hell me run? We inside of a venue. Where I'm gonna run? What gun do you have? That don't sound convincing, bro. Who do I hear counteraction?
Big up Black Emperor crew. Head up. Mikey Dan.
Sound clash this, right?
Pluto
What
this.
am I doing?
Sound boy, I got dead in the dumpy dump. I killing sound black. Pluto this.
Yeah. Keeping it moving swiftly. All who said Tribe Star win the round at 200 a year. Take them down, take them down. All who said Black Emperor win the round 200 a year. All right. It's 2-0. First one to 6.
Yo. Hey, you think you feel if you hold the talker phone over there, it's going to save you. Target sticky upon you. People, 1 round, him win. 2nd round, him win. 3rd round, me start find out what I want. 4th round, me say, me see what I want. You see now that dub for dub, yeah? Me know what I want.
Hold tight, cause you know say a Tribe Star sound run the place. Yes, dance hall, massive. Oh.
You think c'est a joke thing, boy? You see that idiot sound there?
Killing a sound is so easy to do, and that's what Tribe Star's gone.
Nice tune. Nice tune. All who want to hear bigger tune say big.
Black Emperor sound going to kill you. Ooh yeah. No matter what, your sound is gonna die. Black Emperor sound going to kill you till no sound some big blood clot tune right about now. Your little pia sound have no business clashing against regal, renowned Black Emperor. When Mikey down, Feather and Urkel done with you, you go and wish you never born.
That's enough, we know, you know what we are gonna do?
You live on.
Yo!
Sound boy, you're gonna lose your life.
Quick and fast. All who say try start winning around at 2 in a year. Take them down. All who say Black Emperor win the round 2 ends. Wait. Hold on. Listen. I can't be behind the... Come on, I want to understand. I'm going to do it one more time, cuz. I go all the way. Come on, son. One more time. All who said try start winning around at 2 in a year. All right. Take them down. All who said Black Emperor win the round 2-1. Shawn. It close, but that side there, and some people over here say Tribe Star. A Tribe Star. No. Yo. Hey. Listen. Before we go any further. Listen. I don't care who win. All right, so don't boo me. I got paid already. I'm good. I don't care who win. I'm just here to see what I go on and judge it. People, y'all got to look around the whole dance. That is Tribe Star. That's 3-0. Once again, it's the best of 11, so it's the first of 6. All right? Tribe Star, your time.
That one they did kind of close. I'm not going to lie. But, you know, them have them faithful. We're not fighting none of that, you know. We're not fighting none of that. But you see how he must struggle. You know what the people them tell me, say?
Tribe Star Sound is the best I know.
You know what the people them say?
I feel a little better. Tribe Star, kill your sound.
Yeah. Quick and fast.
Watch your people. Next laptop. And I mean it I go run for help. Don't.
Black Emperor time.
I don't give a fuck what you want to say. A Jamaica me bum buckler travel from. For come defend me sound. And my sister, yeah, your friend a bar up. For kill me sound. All those time if you lock off Tribe Star right now, put it under the ear right now. When you want your big song in the up for them, listen what I want. Bum buckler. Emperor!
Big Emperor!
I don't know a big song! Brooklyn!
No sound in this world can kill
Black Emperor! Yeah! Buckler!
So, quick and fast, we're going to judge it. All who said Tribe Star win the round at 2-1. Everybody look around. All who said Black Emperor win the round 2-1 in a year. That is 4-0. First to 6 wins the clash. I see the trophy around here somewhere, wait there. All right, the trophy is here. Tribe Star, your time.
People, wanna see what I want? One man against the bumbo clad world. This idiot about, we travel all the way from Jamaica, hombre. Nobody gives a fuck. You just get for me pussy clout nerve.
Father Bunny Rocks, attack them. Oh yeah, it's Tribe Star, yeah.
This pussy will just get for me bumbo clout nerve. That one and him overkill.
Says it's 96 gunshot to a sound boy. One son, you know them dead. And
People, you have to listen good enough. I don't them as a tri-star or sort of something. You have to listen good. You understand? Oh, you play a while ago. Oh, you play a while ago. Not even him, not even know why him play a while ago. All who said if you lock him off right now, give me some signal. Anything in the world, don't listen to what I go on Brooklyn.
Rasta.
Big song me I play.
Excuse Rasta. Hey yo, this is what the world wait.
The song is exclusive. I'll tell you this, Jimmy London. Alton Ellis, Jimmy London, and Brooklyn ready now.
A tin pan sound has come to you, and him sound was a tune, and you pass him by.
Make it play, man.
Even try a thing.
And Brooklyn ready now. I mean, no say Brooklyn no tune, no. Oh, man. What are that?
No, I don't like no tin pan sound.
Which one with the Brooklyn?
I don't even like they coming around.
New York! Combination!
Black and
yeah.
Everybody love you.
Hold on, the combination, hold on there.
La 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 la, black and para. Everybody love
you. You know some Brooklyn the bias, you know. So you want going down?
Black and para is the sound that slowly grows and grows.
Growing.
Not wonder.
Growing.
Quick and fast. All who said tri-star won that round, 2 hands in the air and look around. All right. Everybody look around. All who said Black Emperor won that round. Yeah. Like Killer Boo say, no sure till it's sure, you know. Big up Killer anyway, stand. Tribe Star, your time.
Black Emperor is a sound. How much man I gonna come up to try to kill me? Paradox. When you send me a picture like trophy, where me did tell you, said that look like me pussy. Me know everything. Anybody in a play domino? Anybody in a play domino? You know what I want your name? 6 Bumbleclad Low.
Tribe Star.
Kick it.
Warren. Oh, yo, Chuck. Tribe Star. Culture the dance.
6
hey.
Low. 6 Low.
Jaja see them a come. I. Tribe Star.
Splashing. The noise in splashing.
Well, I know. Tri-Star, see them a come. About 3 sound we are play against. Tri-Star, see them a come. Me I go find out a which part me there now. You understand? Me I go find out a which part me there. New York!
Easy, take it easy. What make you so rough? Yo, easy, take it easy.
Me I find out a which part me there.
Yes, you're too tough.
What's who I go on I dance now?
Kill something. Come on.
Which part me there? Who you ready now?
Too much deep inside.
No!
Quick and fast. All who said Tribe Star won that song, 2 hands in the air. Take them down. All who said Black Emperor won that round 2-1 tonight. All right. That is 5-1. 5-1.
Hey. Brooklyn, you know when people in a trouble, when them start run for them, D Brown cannot save you.
And flawless. Kill them sound tonight. Them little boy.
Boy, you think D Brown can save you?
Tribe Star, I fight them again. With the plate and record, yeah. Fight them.
Hold on, they know. You see what me I tell you? I play over that, you know. Play over in a dub for dub. You see what me I tell you for a nice drug thing I go on? You see what me I tell you?
This is Marcy.
Don't ramp with me taking the bike. I'm going to tell you say your blood clot friend, you know. I'm tell you say your friend. New York with the Mikey. I tell you say your bum clot friend. Mikey, I don't want to kill you and them, you know. Go over this to go turn up. Go over this to go turn up, Mikey. Go over this. Mikey, go over there, so you're your blood clot friend. We kill two on.
Black Emperor.
Go over here, so. Go over here, so.
This is Ken Boo.
Go over here, so.
Feda, Picheri, and all the Black Emperor crew hold tight.
All you some lock off Tribe Star now.
It's the number one sound.
Baby, lock them off.
Sound boy, you're joking.
Yeah.
Your amplifier
smoking. Boy.
We're gonna dust you in the sound.
Mikey, you're fighting there, friend.
Quick and fast. Quick and fast. All who said Tribe Star win the round. 2-1 in a year. Everybody look around. Damn, even the security. All who say Black Emperor win the round. 2-1 in a year. Welp. It look away. That is what you call 6-2-1. Tribe Star has won the dancing tune for tune. As a person that has won many of these, I can say congratulations, youth. As the 20 Matic champion. Congratulations, sir. You know it, Tingo.
Now hear this. The original sound called Tribe Star. Big the man called Hansel, the man called Lukey, Da Vinci, Mikey, Blacks, Lenny. Big the place called Clay, Burnside, Green Bay, Monster Rat. Original Sister Nancy. Tribe Star. Tinkle of Bam Bam. Dedicated to all original man, different style and different pattern. You know? Tribe Star, tell them, Tribe Star, you know what?
Be the Bronx.
Can't understand.
Bronx.
You know one thing, Tribe Star, man.
I don't have my ticket for next week already.
I talk about team ambition. So what make them I talk about team ambition.
They're the power here, but they're every rough Sunday.
Get it from? Who them a ask him where him get it from? And to them no know it's from creation. But to them no know it's from creation. Grand Slam Tribe Star, you kill them one by one. Chop bam bam dilang, chop bam bam bam. In a bam bam dilang.
Yeah man, big up Brooklyn. Fight me fight. Fight me fight. That me are telling our one Tribe Star, big up the whole team. Montserrat, Antigua, UK, Jamaica, Bronx, New York. Bomba blood clot, one Tribe Star, what you mean? Respect, blessed love, my brother. What you mean? Global sounds. Or mix.
Wagwan ENT.